They told me stick to the rules, don't move your stop. But I doubled down again, and I just can't stop. I clicked the buy, I thought I'd win, but MHP just broke again. A catalyst was in effect, but I ignored the signs. What did I expect? My stop was set, but I pulled it wide. Then I added more, went for the ride. I know the rules, I know the flow, but tilted hands just won't let go. Let it go, let it go. Your account's on fire, what a joke. Let it go, let it go. The market's daddy and you're its hoe. You can't fight, you can't control. The market wins until you let it go. Oh, look, it's turning, I knew it would. Wait, nope, still dropping, that ain't good. But wow, a bounce, I'll add some more. Oh no, it's worse than it was before. Ooh, a green candle, yes, it's back. No, 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 don't drop, don't crack. I swear this thing is bound to rise. I'll master bet until I die. Let it go, let it go. Your account's on fire, what a joke. Let it go, let it go.
What's going on, family, friends, trolls? What's up, everybody? What's up? Hope you're having a great night. Welcome back to the night shift. Welcome back to the night shift. So glad you're here with us. My name is Brad. I am your host here on this lovely Monday evening or Tuesday morning, wherever it is that you find yourself in this incredibly wonderful world that we live in. But jump over here and say some good evenings to everybody. Mark, Tom, Frank, Vernati, Air 23, Iron Pitch and Investing, Shiv Hacks is here, Lucas Krug. Oh my gosh, my friggin' eyes. Bill Jeff, Isaac Green. Who else? It's Burns Trades, Witch on the Roof, CV3 Trades, Simo Show, P2 on, Novotel Animation, Kevin X, what's up? Trading for Progress, Adam Daz, Icy Hawk, Kudeep Singh, welcome. Risky, More on Wall Street, TII, welcome back. Crixel, welcome back. Mr. Trades, Matt's Reef, Christopher McGill, it looks like, is in the house with us. Matt Evans. There's a bunch of new people in here. Names I don't recognize. Some I do. Salin is back. Dave 004005. Man, my eyes tonight are already giving me crazy problems. Patrick Call, Cam Trade, Shacky Brown, Toasty, David O'Connell, IJ Redbird, Luke Nosby, and everyone else. Lady Darb, heyo, heyo. How you doing, baby? Teach like a DJ. What's up, BJ? How you doing, man? What's going on, Asman? There's a bunch of y'all in here. Stephen Brinkworth, Topper, Lax and Risky, Sima Show, It's Burns Trade, Set Sieb, Dan, Adolfo, Mac Dabrowski, Tech Consultant, Icy Hawk. Hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome to 420. Welcome to 420, baby. It's that day. All you reefer addicts out there, lighten it up today. It's a good day. I got me some goldfish to munch on until dinner shows up. And I got some water. How's the camera look? Camera experiment number 2 tonight. How's the camera look? I'm not high. Clear. Camera's great tonight. You look good. Thank you. Volume. Is the volume too loud? I can turn it down a little bit. I don't want to turn it down too much. That's what a high person would say. It's crispy. All right. That's good. That's good to know. That helps me narrow down my camera decision as we move forward. I do still have the other one over here. I have the other one over here with a different angle. See the other corner of the office back over here off my shoulder. The curtains that I ripped down last night. This one doesn't look at this one's way better. I have the munchies because I haven't eaten anything. Has nothing to do with it being 420. Not one thing. Yeah, we did get the curtain back up. I'm gonna try not to touch it. All right. Well, go ahead and smash that like button, guys. Let's get the likes rolling in. 350. 350 is the magic number to get our first giveaway. We have 3 accounts to give away tonight. Got to sign back in. Come on. Hold on. Why does Take Profit Trader take so long to update their dashboard after the day is over? I don't. If they're one of the best firms out there that y'all keep saying they are, why do they take forever to update their dashboard at the end of the day? I don't understand this. Hold on, I'm logging back into my spreadsheet here. Logging back in. Give me 1 second. And, oh my gosh. And it's making me do this too. All right, there it is. We got it back. All right, let's get to the giveaway. All right, we have 3 giveaways. You have a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. And then we have a 25K Earned a Trade and a 50K Earned a Trade. And you might be wondering, well, who is Earned a Trade? That's a great question. Well, if you didn't know, we're launching a brand new website called propscore.co that we launched out to everyone in our YouTube family. Propscore.co is the website. This is a credit score for prop firms. Think of an auditing firm, a data-driven prop firm ranking site that's completely mathematical based, that helps you, the trader, get an edge over the prop firms. And what do I mean by that? Well, right now, really the only way that you know how to go out and find a prop firm to trade with is you have to go out and sift through all 50 of them by yourself, or maybe you listen to some YouTuber or other ex-influencer, or you go onto another prop aggregate site that just kind of puts them all together on one page, and you have to kind of figure it all out, and you don't really know if you're getting a good deal or if it's really best for you or not. Well, this website now puts all the power back into your hands as the trader, because now you can see every prop firm and every prop account that has an assigned mathematical score based on how easy or difficult it is to pass, the simplicity of it. You can, it's assigned the return on investment, which means the amount that you can get back based on what you're paying in to get it. You can get the drawdown per price, which is the size of the drawdown you can get per dollar that you're spending. And the price per time in market is the quickest path per dollar. So what does all that mean for you? Well, the best part about this site is you can come over and you can put in your trading criteria, your trading stats. No other site will adapt the firms to recommend to you based on the way you trade except propscore.co. That's it. There's no other firm that exists that does this. You can say, hey, how many evals does it take for me to take or to buy or to do a challenge before I pass? How many evals will it take for me to pass? Let's say it takes you 6 evals before you pass one. Okay, then once you're funded, how many accounts do you have to be funded until you get to payout? Well, let's say you have to go through 3 funded accounts before you get to a payout. All right, well, what's your win rate when you're trading? Like when you take a trade, what is your win rate percentage? Okay, well, let's say it's 55%. And your risk reward ratio is 1 to 2. So you have a 2 RR, right? Now you can see how everything updates over here as I put in all those numbers, because it's adjusting the accounts and the firms that you should be trading with based on the way you trade. You don't have to guess any longer. You don't have to guess any longer about what account and what firm you should be trading with. The math cuts through all of the marketing and puts the edge back in your hand. If you're actually treating trading prop firms as a business, which you should be, if you're trying to figure out what the expected value is based on the dollars that you're putting in and your win rates and your pass rates and all of that put together, this is the tool that has not existed that now does for every trader out there. This is a beta release right now to the Rocket Scooter YouTube family. So we only have about 7 of the firms in here. We have already and started already inputting over 50 firms into the website. And when we launch at the beginning of May, all 50 firms, or almost all, hopefully all 50 firms will be put into the website. Every futures trading prop firm that exists will have a mathematical rank score. You'll be able to find hidden gems on firms that you didn't even know existed. The other great thing about this is you can leave a review. If you've traded with somebody and it may have a really good score, but you go and you read the reviews and you're like, oh my gosh, this score is really good, but they deny payouts and they ban traders and they have really subjective trading rules that people seem to not really enjoy. And the community has said this is not a very good firm, even though the score is good. Well, then you know, hey, that's a red flag. Maybe I don't want to go with that one, right? So this website will continue to grow and to update. You can search by the expected payout. You can search by the minimum first payout that you can get. And you can search by what is the max monthly, what's the max I can make in 1 month on any of these plans. So like, let's say you're struggling just to get to payouts. Minimum first payout may be the best path forward for you based on your stats. And you can see if you have it takes 6 evals before you pass. It takes 3 funded accounts before you get a payout. A 55% win rate with a 2 risk reward ratio. The My Funded Futures Pro 50K end of day account is probably your best one. And if you wanted to go in here now and you were like, well, what's the easiest one to pass? I can click on simplicity and now I can see, oh, that changes. I just want the easiest one. That's the Take Profit Pro 25K. Or I want to know what's the one that gives me the most drawdown per dollar spent. Oh, okay. Well, now I know if drawdown is the most important thing to me, I can see that these top step accounts and the funded next accounts might be the ones that I'm going to want to go with. So it's a really cool website that's going to help you really hone in on these accounts, these firms, and help you find those hidden gems and help you hopefully get to payouts more consistently in the prop firm world. So propscore.co is the website, propscore.co. I also need to tell you, all of our giveaways from now on, we will run them through the PropScore Discord. And so I need to get that. Mods, if you could put the link to the PropScore Discord in the chat right now, I'll grab it. And I'll grab it and then I'll pin it up to the top here. If someone could, I think it's I'm gonna say all giveaway winners must be in the PropScore website. Thank you, Fraser. Must be in the PropScore website. Follow this link to join. Can I copy that? Yeah, I can. Okay. There we go. And then I'm going to pin that message. All right, there's the pinned message. You need to go to that Discord. If you haven't joined the PropScore Discord, you need to go to that link, join the Discord. All of our giveaways will be done through PropScore, and they are doing, because we're launching this week, both the PropScore Discord and the website, they're doing giveaways in the PropScore Discord all day, every day. So there's a giveaway going on right now. I think it's going on for the next few hours. So you can go in there and you can join. And if you're having problems joining on propscore.co, You might try a different browser like Chrome or Firefox or Safari. You might need to try a different browser. But you can also go into tech support on the Prop Score Discord and let them know, Esteban Pena, you can let them know. You can let them know you're having problems. Currently, they're running a Discord exclusive giveaway in Prop Score right now. The giveaway will go until tomorrow morning at 9:15 a.m., where they'll draw a winner. You can win 2 next-gen 50K evals. You need to be following Prop Score and next-gen accounts on x.com. And there are links in the Prop Score giveaway that help you get assigned to that. So go join the Prop Score Discord. Go to the giveaway channel and hit enter, and it will tell you how you can follow Prop Score and Next Gen X accounts to be eligible for that. So you're going to want to go into that Prop Score Discord. There's so much going on there. We've already got over 1,000. We've got like 1,100 people on the X already, and I think we've got 1,100 people or so or more already in the Prop Score Discord. So take advantage of that. Get in there. And let's get it done. All right, we're going to be talking about Prop Score throughout the night here. We're going to be talking about Prop Score throughout the night. I'm going to help you guys. If you have a question about maybe how the website works, or if you have a question about what account might fit you specifically, then we can even run a demo right here and show you how to pull all that up. So, all right. Let me get back over to my charts and let's talk about some trading, because this is a trading channel, fastest growing live futures day trading channel on YouTube in the Asia session right now. Yes, sir, we are. Yes, sir, we are. 147 likes. Let's get it up to 350. 350 likes is the target to trigger our first giveaway. We'll be giving away, the first account is a Funded Next 25K Rapid, and then we have 2 more accounts to give away tonight. Once Prop Score is up and launched fully, we will be giving away over 1,000 accounts per month. 1,000 accounts per month. Once we're up and running. That's going to be insane. Absolutely insane. All right. So what did I do today? Oh, you know, I just got 50% consistency locked in on my Take Profit account that we opened up last night live on the stream. Made $1,500 on it yesterday. So I'm halfway to the profit target there. Of course, everything that I did on stream last night, you can see the results of all of the trades. We took this trade last night on the stream. We took this trade last night on the stream. And then let's see, what else did we take on the stream? We took this trade on the stream last night for $110, and we took this trade on the stream last night. Man, I don't know if you notice a theme on my dashboards. But I don't know. I think I look good in green. I think I look pretty good in green. Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade? Did you get rid of red on your monitors? Yeah. I am now officially only green. All I can see is green. I can't see any other color but green. Let me go back and just show you. These are the payouts we've taken since April 1st. So we've taken out over $5,600 since April 1st. And I'm going for 2 more payouts this week on the 2 funded accounts I have. I'm going to try and get those to 2 more payouts this week. So hopefully we can get this up by the end of the month, get this up into the $7,000 and $8,000 lucid payouts in 1 month. That would be pretty awesome, I think. Pretty cool for a guy who's not doing this full time and is still working his way up. You know what I mean? So how was your guys' day today? Were you green? Were you red? Did you blow up any evals today? Did you pass any evals? Did you request any payouts tonight already? Did you have any fallen soldiers today that we need to salute here in just a few minutes? Let me know in chat how your day went. Uniquely Shun Sean says Bluetooth funded. Oh, man. Erased all your gains from yesterday? No. Bluetooth evals. Ugh. Negative. Red. Green. Green until Trump opened his mouth. Yeah. Green today. Green 730 on a 50K. Nice. Green so far. Got caught in the Trump tweet. Yep. Excellent day, green baby. Made green on actual stocks. Stopped trading and hovered at negative 27. Well, that's not bad. It's basically break even. No trades. That's good, Duarte Machado. You passed your first TPT eval today? Let's go, John Fletcher. GG's, baby. You're the man. Can we connect? Yeah, we're connecting right now. How else do you want to connect? You can hit me up on Discord. You can email me at brad@rocketscooter.com if you want. Green, red, 140. Blue funded with the Trump tweet. Yeah, man, you got the Trump tweets are just brutal. You just never know when they're going to come out. They're so hard to trade around. They really are. Dark red, blue funded one almost dead. Ugh. One fallen. Got chopped. Eddie Rod says, this is my 6th day on my TPT Pro, taking $400 to $500 daily. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. MaxBot says, finish a 150K account buffer. Ready to get money now. Let's get it. GG's. Lucas Nosm is green on a 50K Tradeify eval. Nice. Well, whatever happened yesterday, here's the good news, guys. It's a brand new trading day. It is a brand new trading day right now. Whatever happened yesterday has no effect and no bearing on what's going to happen today or tonight during the Asia session or the rest of the day tomorrow. It has no bearing on it whatsoever. Don't let what happened yesterday carry over into today's trading session. Don't try to revenge trade. Don't try and make it all back. Don't go on tilt and try and full port because you got pissed off at what you did and just dig yourself into a deeper hole. Let's just push pause. Be grateful that we're still here. We're still here, baby. 100%. We ain't going anywhere. And it doesn't matter what people say about it. It doesn't matter what people think about it. It doesn't matter what happens in the market. We're going to keep grinding. We're going to get back up on that horse, and we're going to keep riding until we figure this thing out, damn it. We live to trade another day. And all of those accounts that we lost today, all of those fallen soldiers that we loaded up with contracts and sent out into the field of battle, the marketplace, to bring back some dollars for us. Some of them didn't make it back, and that's okay. Though they are gone, they are not forgotten. They will be remembered. We will salute.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute, baby. We salute. Oh, yeah. They're gone, but they're not forgotten. We will fight on. We will fight on. We will fight on. All right, so what are we looking for tonight? I'm looking to push the buy button again. I don't think that the market is going to dip or die unless we get some horrible news out of the war front. Until we get horrible news, I'm going to stay with my bullish bias. So I'm going to be looking for any dips or big pink candles that we can get heading down. I will be looking to jump back up there. So that's the plan. I'm going to sit on my hands until I see a dip to buy. Hey, Dave Mack, let's go, baby. Dave Mack dropping in a $20 boot camp. It says another payout approved. Big time thanks to Matt and all of the Rocket Scooter family. Love all you guys. Boot camp was the best addition to my trading. I'm so grateful. God is good. Let's go, Dave. GG's, baby. Another payout. Let's go, baby. Dave, I have had the same similar experience as you have had with the boot camp. It also made the biggest difference in my trading career as well. And I don't think we're alone. I don't think we are alone in our assessment of that. And if you're new to the Rocket Scooter family, then you know how many people show up in here every single night and continue to just generously donate boot camps to the rest of the community. So thank you, Dave. We will give those away towards the end of the show tonight. We took our first boot camp the same month. You did yours I did mine in like June-ish last year. Is that when you started? What's up, Mag J? How you doing, buddy? Haven't missed much. I haven't taken any trades yet. No trades. That's so cool, man. What's up, Ray Foria? How you doing, man? Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. We're just chilling here, guys, sitting on our hands. We're not in any positions right now. I'm just waiting to see if we can get a little pullback. Maybe retest the Asia Open here at least. I do think we still haven't closed out on ES or on NQ. We haven't finished closing out the gap that we gapped down from Friday yet, where we closed on Friday. We have taken out the previous day's high already on ES. We took out yesterday's high already in ES, but we haven't taken yesterday's high out on NQ yet. I am still bullish, and I do think that we're going to get back up and fill that gap at 26,843 level. So I'm just going to sit on my hands, be patient. We're going to chill out, hang out, and see what the market gives us. Hey, thanks for the subscription, man. Thank you for subscribing, Briarta.com. Thank you so much. Daytick says, did Matt nail down when in May he'll be doing the next boot camp? Probably sometime the second week of May. We're trying to get Prop Score launched out right now, so everything is going into getting Prop Score launched out, and right now we're in the beta. We're going to launch it on May 4th with a full slate of prop firms. So we have over 50 prop firms that we have found right now, and if we need to find more, we will. But we have at least 50 we found so far, and they will all get input into the Prop Score website so that we can have a very clear and full understanding of all that the prop firm world has to offer us as traders. The edge has been in favor of the prop firms for too long. They have controlled the narrative, and now we are stepping in with PropScore.co to give the edge back to the trader. You're not going to have to wonder and worry about if you're trading the right firm or if you're trading the right account. You now have a mathematical, unbiased ranking to take care of that, or at least help you make that decision way more effectively and efficiently to get the most bang for your buck. Just the fact that you can go in and you can input your specific trading stats, and you can watch how all of the firms get re-ranked and moved around based on the way you trade. There is no other tool that exists in the prop trading world that does that. There is no other tool. And we're doing it completely free. We want to give back to the prop traders as much as we can. You can use code SCORE right now. Code SCORE right now will work at any of our firms except TPT is still Rocket Scooter and Funded Next is still Rocket. So TPT and Funded Next on May 4th, when we launch publicly everything, then SCORE will be the only word you'll use when you're checking out at prop firms. And when you do that, what it does is it helps us pay the staff on the back end. We've hired a big team of people. I say we, I haven't. Matt has hired a big team of people to run PropScore and the PropScore Discord and everything that's going on inside of there. And when you use code SCORE to check out, it's going to help us continue to build out the website, add new features and wish lists, and it's going to go to help pay the salaries of all the employees over there that are working so hard to keep this tool available to all of the prop world. So if you would like to go play with this, or maybe you want me to demonstrate how this works for you or how it could work for you specifically, let me know in chat. I'd be happy to pull up. I'd be happy to put in your specific trading statistics in here. If you just put them in chat, I'll go ahead and put them in here right now, and I'll show you how you can build up and compare some websites and some prop firms and accounts that might work for you. So let me know in chat if that would be something that you want to do. DTLT says, what is this dark red highlighted box on my screen? Oh, you're talking about this box? This is the opening week gap. So this was the last close price on Friday, and then we gapped down on Sunday night right here. This is the opening week gap. And you can see it is the half gap is highly supported as support and resistance, and the opening print, and we haven't even tested Friday's close. I'm still thinking we go up there. I would like to see a little bit of a bigger pullback right there, but we may not. I'm not sure if we're going to get it or not. I was hoping we could get back down closer to the Asia Open. We'll see if we can or not. I'm going to fast forward this song. We're not doing a giveaway just yet. We still have a little bit of ways to go before we get to the giveaway. We're at 189 likes, guys, so smash that like button. We need to get to 350 likes to trigger the first giveaway tonight. Welcome into the stream, guys. My name is Brad. I'm the host of the Night Shift, here with you guys every single night, Sunday night through Thursday night. This is night 2. We're 9 weeks into our show, and last week we had our biggest week ever. We had over 50,000 views on the Night Shift show alone. And when you take into consideration all 3 shows combined, we were almost at 150,000 views for the week just between those 3 shows. But this show alone had over 50,000 views last week. It was absolutely insane. We had almost 12,000 again last night. It's crazy how fast things are blowing up around here. So if you're new here, my name is Brad. This is the Day Trading with Matt YouTube channel. Matt is the founder of this channel and the inventor of the Rocket Scooter platform. And the Rocket Scooter platform, this is his YouTube channel. We have 3 shows that run on this channel every single day. Matt, of course, streams in the morning. He's currently doing a $100K to $1 million challenge on his live cash brokerage account. Then our friend Neon streams in the afternoon. He comes on about 1:30 in the afternoon, and he streams all the way through market close. And then I come in at 7 Eastern, and we go for 4 hours together every single night, trying to make a little money. Just trying to make a little money. I am not a full-time day trader. I am definitely more of a student still. I'm on my way to being a full-time day trader. And hopefully me being here on the stream will be an encouragement to you as you watch me go through the process of what it takes to go from being just a prop trader to moving into a live cash brokerage account and then eventually walking away from the 9-to-5. So that's the ultimate goal. Maybe that happens this year. We'll have to wait and see. I am building up my live cash brokerage account right now. It is sitting around $1,700. I'm taking half of every payout that I get, and I'm going to be moving it into my cash account, and then half of my monthly budget spend that I have set aside personally to buy evals. Instead of buying evals, half of that's going to be going into a cash brokerage account. So I'm going to be trying to do both things this year: trade a live account, my own personal live account, and trade prop firms. Prop firms have their value in your trading journey. They can help you for a very small amount. If you have edge in the marketplace, for a very small price, you can get a very big return on your investment. I have already doubled my investment with Lucid just on these payouts right here. These payouts right here, I've doubled my buy-in on Lucid already, and I'm working my way up to making it even higher. We're trying to get 2 more payouts. We're trying to get 2 more payouts done on that as well this week. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, the goal, Prod Son Swift says, that's my goal, to walk away from the 9-to-5 corporate tech world. Yeah, me too, baby. I'm trying to, I want to be able to have I want to be in control of my own time. I don't want to have a boss telling me what to do, where to be, how to do my job, when I can work, when I have to work, when I can't work, when I have to be there, when I can take vacation, when I can't take vacation, where I have to be at work or not. What's up, Deagle? How you doing, bud? There's really no good levels around here for me to work with. I would just... The Asia Open is the closest. We have DD bands we have here. We have dynamic HP, about 120 points lower. So any trades I take tonight are going to be just Brad's discretionary trading. So I'm gonna have to have a very good frame of reference to get into a position tonight, because we're not anywhere near. Now that could change. That could change based on one news headline coming out from the war, of course. But for now, we're just gonna be patient. We're just gonna sit on our hands. There is no reason to push a button at all. We're just gonna chill. At least I am. I'm not gonna tell you what to do, but I'm gonna chill. Not taking a trade is trading. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Not being in a position in the market is being in a position. Your position is flat. Your position is neutral. Your position is no risk on the table. And that is a perfectly good and probably majority of the time position that you need to be in. Salon says, what industry are you in? Are you talking about my 9-to-5? I work in, I'm in ministry. I work at a church. This is my full-time job. So I went to school to be a sound engineer. So in sound recording technology, so working in studios and recording music and stuff like that. I'm a musician by trade. That's what I do. Full time is just music. So I write, produce, record. I lead at my church musically every week. So yeah. Gringo Loco says, wait, aren't you married though? You got a boss. Not in this marriage, baby. Shh, don't tell Lady Darb I said that. Oh my gosh. MT Dello, the Twitter that you need to follow is I'll post it in the I'll post it right now. It's x.com /prop scores. I'll post it right now. That's the X account for prop score that you need to be following. So you need to join the Discord, which is you can find that in the pinned message of the chat. You can find the Discord link to the pinned message in the chat. You can also just ask one of the mods to post the link in chat if you need that. But yeah, you want to be. We've got over 1,000 followers now on Prop Score, so we want to get as many as many as we can on that as well. So. Oh, you're a producer and writer? Very nice, man. Samuel Christians, you're a pastor? Very cool. Which digital audio? A DAW. He says a DAW. It's a digital audio workstation you use to produce. So in real life, I use Pro Tools and Logic Pro, both. We use both of those in the studio and in my work. If I'm like the music that you're listening to here, I just use Suno. I'll take Suno and dump it into Logic if it's not exactly what I want, and I'll edit it inside of Logic as well. But Suno does have a little bit of a DAW. They call it Suno Studio. They have a little bit of a DAW that they're starting to create that can give you some very basic control in an editing. Like you can break out all of your Suno, you can split out all the tracks, and you can do a little mixing and editing inside of there. But I have more control inside Logic and Pro Tools. Do I ever use Koala Sampler? No, I don't. I think for me, if I'm going to be looking for an entry, again, I would like to see it. I think I would like to see somewhere back closer into the Asia Open here. Maybe even something. Yeah, I think probably. I mean, I could put on a small position. I think I would wait. I think I would wait to get back down into here. Somewhere down in this area here. Before I look to get long right now. What's up, son of Wall Street? How you doing, baby? iLuxury, what's going on? Welcome in. PL Strom, good evening. Thank you for being here. I have not tried Gemini Music Maker, no. Chris Soy says, hey, Brad, I just clicked on the Discord link. It asked me to accept the invite. I clicked, and I see only how to join and other 3 links, not all the tabs. Can you please help me accepting? So I think you click on the Discord, and then you have to click the rocket to accept your role, I believe is the way it works. So once you're in the Discord, you have to claim your role, and you do that by clicking on the rocket. Oh, there you go. Farina says, in how to join, you click the prop score icon in how to join. Farina is running and managing the Prop Score Discord, so if you have any questions about Prop Score Discord, you can ask Farina Ballerina here on the chat, and she will know all of the answers and be able to assist you guys. Mike says, so Brad, what's this Rex box we're in right now on your chart? This is the opening week gap. The opening week gap. So where we closed on Friday to where we opened on Sunday is the opening week gap. And the where we closed, where we opened will act as support and resistance, and the half gap will act as support and resistance as well inside of there. What's up, Skeletor? How you doing, baby? Welcome in, man. Farina does have all the answers. It could be a very choppy night tonight. Babe? What? Yeah? How are you? How are you? You want to say hi? I'm working with my camera set up. Are you going to come in and say hi? I wish I had a bigger office. When Piggy moves out, I can go back in. Lady Darb, everyone, say hi, say hi. Just got back from the gym, of course, again. Bringing me some of the Lord's chicken, the Chick-fil-A. Oh yeah. How was the gym? Yeah? Nice. What you got going on the rest of the night? Okay. Do you want to sit and talk to chat so I can go to the bathroom? They're all saying hi, good evening, good evening. She is very cool. She's the best, man. She brings me dinner almost every night. Almost every night. Yeah, I was talking about when I leave my job, I'm not gonna have a boss anymore, and they were like, "You're married, you got a boss," and I was like, "No, I don't."
Right. That's right. That's right.
You're gonna tell her what I said? No, don't tell her what I said. I only said that I love you with all my heart and soul. That's it. How old do you think she is? Lady Darb, who's the boss? Dave Mack says. Who's the boss?
It depends. It depends.
It depends?
He has the final say, but I trust him. So.
Hell yeah, baby. 37, 30, 30, 24, 18, 21. All right. You all have become her favorite people in the entire world. She's 21, 30, 24, I guess 40 plus. Oh, boo. 22. Farina says 3.
Love you, Farina.
35, 18, 27, 37. It looks like most are saying in your 30s. So you gotta turn that down. Hey, DM Stoll says, good evening. First time here from Brazil, and I have a question. What are the indicators on your screen? They are a combination of rocket scooter high volume pivots, and they're an opening week gap. And I also have VWAP on my screen as well. So I'm not going to tell you how old she is.
That's a good man.
She just had a birthday almost a month ago. So she is 1 year older than she was a year ago. I guess we all are 1 year older than we were a year ago. Every day we are 1 year older than we were 1 year ago. Is today bring your daughter to work day? Not my daughter, but my daughter and her do look very much alike. How young is she? She's younger than me. I'll be 51 next month, and she's younger than me. Everybody says 30s in your 30s, babe. Like, you're killing it. You're killing it. She can kick your ass, I promise. So, all right, I love you.
Bye, chat.
I love you. I love you. Thank you for dinner. I love that woman. I love that woman. Put my Chick-fil-A drink up there. Oh, we got some waffle fries. I got me some waffle fries. I look young for 51. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. I have 2 grandkids. Yeah. It's okay to be a young grandpa. I get weird looks sometimes when I bring my oldest daughter and my wife out shopping and they're dressed up. They're not sister wives. Yeah. I did put the curtain back up. I did put the curtain back up. It is up over here. I'm going to try not to touch it and pull it, but this is my office door right back here. Glass door. I did get it back up, yeah. Hey, Leslie Paul Farkas, what's up, baby? Papa Les back in the house. Currently, no trades right now. We're just sitting. Papa Les says you're back after watching Rips. Well, I'm glad you're here, but I'm also a little sad that you chose Rips over me. Kind of breaks my heart, man. I do not trade gold, no. Every now and then we'll pull up the chart and look at it, but I don't trade it. Skydoc, I'm looking for I think I'm looking for something in the like somewhere down in like the Asia Open, which is 775. My preference would be that we see a quick spike down into there. I just don't know that we're going to get it. The new hour is about to turn over, so maybe when the new hour turns over, we'll get a little spike down, and then I'll look to buy right there. So when the hour turns over here in about 7 minutes, I might get another opportunity. I swear I dropped a French fry. And it's gone, like into the black hole of the floor. I swear I dropped a French fry. I do have a little bit of a pet peeve with Chick-fil-A. I don't know if you guys have Chick-fil-A where you are, but I'm not a fan of the potato wedge where it's not a waffle, it's like a big thick chunk of potato. And I feel like I get robbed when there's that one. I just ate one. There's another one. I don't like those. Oh, Leslie Paul Farkas. Papa Les dropping in an $8 donation. Thank you, buddy. There we go, baby. Papa Les dropping in a $80 for an evaluation giveaway. I'm not going to get into any positions until I see what I want to see. I ate like a stoner. It is 420. It may be Papa Les. Yeah, the code word may be Papa Les. Again, we'll see. Mark says, Brad, the market isn't doing anything. Can you dump it to a level so we can long or something? I wish I could. Sadly, these are just paper trade accounts. I could put on a 100 lot trade and it wouldn't do anything because it doesn't exist. It's not real. It's a fake account. No, Matster, I'm not. It's not blasphemy. They're just too like thick and no, I don't want to eat a full-on potato. I want a crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, but I want to have I want to be able to see through the fry. That's it. I've told you what I want to see. I want to see price come down. And I'm looking for an entry somewhere in here. That's what I want to see. I want to see a pullback closer to the Asia Open. The new hour is about to turn on in about 4 minutes. And if we get a quick spike down, I will look to try to start a position right there. I don't want to eat a full-on potato. I don't. Who does? I don't. This is not me saying this, but Rips would have said I want it crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. What? Didn't I just say that? I feel like I just said that. The perfect fry has just the right amount of crisp on the crust on the outside. But when you bite into it, it's got that softer consistency, that hot, softer consistency. Waffle fry holes, just the bits that come out of the holes. Like donut holes, but waffle fry holes. That's what you get at the bottom of your waffle basket, your fry basket. All right, there's enough of that. Fries are done except for the fatty ones. Not eating those. I refuse. All right, 2 more minutes till the hour turns over. Wingstop fries are pretty good. They're not my favorite, but they're pretty good. All right, and then of course the sandwich of all sandwiches. Yep. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's such a good chicken sandwich. Wags Graham, how you doing, baby? Good morning. Five Guys fries are good. The nice thing about Five Guys is how many fries you get in the bag. They just dump them all in there. You have a restaurant at your ranch? No way. Do you really? That's cool. Have I eaten? I don't feel like I've eaten it that much on the stream. This is like the second time I've had Chick-fil-A, I think. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's maybe I've had it more. I don't know. I used to eat Arby's quite a bit. Back when I was in college, I used to eat it. I have never had a Culver's burger. Is that good? Is that a good burger? All right, here we are into the top of the hour. We're getting a push back up, not down. Alternator. I see what you're trying to do, Alternator. It ain't gonna work. See, it doesn't count. If it comes from people that I know, it doesn't even count. Look at Papa Les dropping in some YouTube memberships there for everybody. Thank you, buddy. Papa Les, do you donate like this on everybody's stream that you go to? Drops trades. Thank you. So there's 2 boot camp donations and 1 prop eval donation. I feel special. You donated Rips a few dollars today. Just call me Papa Drop. We got Papa Les and Papa Drop. I like it. Papa Roach. Where are we at? We're at, guys, we're at 263 likes. And we need to get to 350 to do the giveaway. So we've got about 90 more likes, so smash that like button. Currently not in any trades right now. We're just kind of chilling and waiting. I was hoping at the top of the hour here we would have gotten a push down. Instead, we're getting a push up, so we'll see how it goes. No trades yet. I mean, I'm not in any trades. People on the chat may have taken a trade. I am perfectly fine sitting on my hands right now. And I think to become a full-time day trader where this is what you're doing for your main source of income, trading your own live account or trading prop firms or a combo of both. You have to get to a spot mentally and psychologically where when you sit at the chart, you know when to trade and when not to trade. You do not have to be in a trade all the time. You do not have to be in the market all the time. There is no consistent edge when you are constantly in a position. You need to wait until your edge shows up. You need to wait until your trading plan and system tells you, okay, the market is showing us what we want to see. This is the time to get in. This is the time to put risk on. And let's see how it goes from there. Trading Mindset, how you doing, baby? I'm doing good. I'm doing good, man. I'm liquidity. It's okay. Matt is a great boss. It's worth hanging out with him for an hour. Papa Les says Matt has yet to send you a free hat. Does Matt have hats? Because I don't have a hat yet. I don't have a hat yet. All right. Dinner's over. Dinner is over. I'm currently watching price on the 5-minute chart, but I'm not looking I don't use charts to enter positions on. I just wait for price to come back into key levels. I don't trade patterns or time frames specifically. Matt needs to wear a helmet, so he's got to have hats. That's hilarious. Gringo Loco says he sends them hats to the streamers that trade. That's probably why I don't have one. Everyone here knows I don't trade. If you've watched the show at all, you know I don't trade. I just make music, crack jokes, and entertain the chat all night. Who do I have in the NBA playoffs? Well, who do I want to win, or who do I think is going to win? I can show the ES levels. Here we go. No, I don't. I said I don't watch time frames to trade. Like I don't get into a trade based on what time frame I'm on. The time frame doesn't mean anything to me. I don't watch the charts to find a pattern. I watch the charts to know when price is reaching a level of interest for me. It's very interesting that we couldn't make a higher high here on ES. NQ still not quite pushing through its session high yet. ES is lagging behind quite a bit here. I definitely don't want to short into anything right now. We have no news coming out. It's a very quiet night so far on the news headlines. But yeah, we're definitely holding VWAP right here. We're heading south. That might be good if we can get back down to the Asia Open here. ES is heading that way. I would like to see NQ head that way. But maybe ES will give us a good position here first. Down around the Asia Open. Lakers, Brad doesn't trade. I don't take payouts, and I only do dirty joke and eats food. That's the whole stream right there. No trading, no payouts, only dirty jokes, and just eat food. And bathroom breaks occasionally. That's hilarious. Price makes a level of interest based on the chart and the patterns. No, price just makes a level. Price reaches. Like you could watch price just on the DOM. I just keep the chart up because it's going to show you my position and it gives you a little bit bigger completion of where price has been. That's all candle. Candle information is just telling you what price did during that certain time frame. You could watch the DOM and just know where Asia opened and where price is, it's above it, and you want to see price get back down to it, and you're not watching any candles at all. The candles mean nothing. The shape of the candle, the color of the candle, it doesn't mean anything to me. I just want to see price reach down into a level that I am interested in getting long at. That's it. I don't care what is going on, what pattern it looks like over here, behind it, to the left, or whatever you want to call it. It doesn't matter to me. This information is just telling me how price moved in these time periods. That's it. Bro, do you even clown around? I do. So Crixel, most of my trading is on the New York session. I don't stream on the New York session, but I do trade during the New York session. Last night, when we made almost $1,700 on the stream last night, that is not a super common experience on the night shift. Typically, we get into at least 1 or 2 trades every single stream. Last night just happened to be a night where price was really giving us good entries, and we were able to capitalize on them and execute quickly. And we made over $1,700 last night on the stream. So I have no idea if price is going to give me that same type of playbook tonight. I just don't know. And if price doesn't get where I want it to get before I get into my position, I'm not going to chase a trade just because price didn't get to where I wanted to be. I will wait and see if I can get a different setup. It is super tight and choppy right now. Like since we opened, we're in a 44-point range on NQ, and we're on a not even a 10. We're in an 8.5-point range on ES from the open price. So still very tight right now. No, you didn't get muted. I can see you. Trading Mindset says, I love the rocket scooter strategy, exactly how you explained it just now. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. Icy Hawk says, would you ever do like any other streams during the day like Matt with MFF? Probably not, only because it would be competing with the other 2 shows that are Matt's show and the Neon show. I'm not gonna compete or do anything that would take away views from those guys and from this channel. So really the only other option would be to trade either before the market opened, like before Matt came on, like a pre-New York show, in between like London and New York, or just stream all night. And I'm definitely not going to stay up all night. As much as I love you all, I got to get some sleep, man. Alternator says, hey, Brad, did you ever trade single stock futures, and how do you think you would trade them when they come back? I never did. I'm interested to see how it plays out. I'll probably dabble in it just to kind of see what it is and how it goes, you know? I'll check it out. But I never traded them in the past like that, no. Stefano, yeah, I just answered that question. So I don't stream in the morning. In the New York morning session, I don't stream, but I do trade. Matt streams in the morning show, but I'm trading during that time, and I'm hanging out in the chat with y'all over there on his show. And I'm usually hanging out in the chat on Neon show as well. Mondays are hard for me at my day job, so Mondays are hard to do the day job and trade at the same time. I've got a ton of meetings on Mondays. Mondays are like just stacked with meetings and stuff, and so it's hard to get a chance to trade. This morning I didn't have as many meetings, and so I was able to trade and make a little money on my take profit eval. Time for a giveaway. 350 likes. We're at 316. 350 likes is the first stop on the like train tonight, guys. So smash that like button. Smash that like button, and we will get into it. Crixel says, Matt, please give Brad a 300% raise so he stays and trades the London session. Bro, it's going to take more than that to get me to stay up all night and trade and then get up and go to a day job. It's going to take way more than that. That's hilarious. $9.8 SR20 Debt says, you're a great personality and character for this, though. 10 out of 10, and thanks for being clean in your words. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you so much, man. What do I prefer? But before I started streaming in the Asia session, I never traded the Asia session. I only traded New York. So until Matt asked me to do this stream, I might have taken 3 trades ever in the Asia session in my life. So the first 2 weeks, if you go back and watch the first 2 weeks of the show, I was not trading very well. I was just trying to figure out how to trade Asia and how it moved and how it worked. We don't have as many rocket scooter levels and tools in the overnight session as we do in the New York session. And so I was just trying to figure out what else can I bring in from my past trading experience that I had success with that might help me be able to identify more trade setups or high quality trade setups when price is kind of far away from any high volume pivots that Rocket Scooter would support trades on. So Alternative says I wouldn't need a day job. Well, hopefully here in the near future, I won't have to have that and we won't have to worry about that anymore. We'll see. Yeah, Skydock, everybody's got a number, man. Everybody's for sale. Everybody's got a number. Owen Flashy says, is the boot camp good for a beginner with those MHP markers or such? Oh, yeah. The boot camp is great whether you're a beginner or whether you've been trading for a while. The boot camp is absolutely fantastic all around trading education. If you're a beginner, you're going to be glad that you're getting it right at the beginning of your journey. It's a fast track to edge, and it's a community full of people who are built to help, and they want to help you get better. The bootcamp is absolutely built for beginning traders. I don't have a Lambo, no. Mark Tom Frank says this is like a 2025 Globex session, slow chop in a small range. Yep. So what you can do in a range like this is you just play the edges. You just wait for price to get to the top or the bottom, and you just play it back to the middle. Oh, I don't know where that yawn came from. Iron Liquidity says $50 is my number. Bro, you're setting your number's too low, buddy. Your number's too low. Ah, that's hilarious. Ransom Baggins says, do you have any other videos channels where you teach your take on rocket scooter strategy? No. I've been a lifer for a while now and watch Matt regularly, but would love a different teaching style. No, I don't have any of my own specific rocket scooter style or trading strategy videos out anywhere. Just here on the stream. All of the videos that we have, you know, the 4 hours that we do a day here. There's that French fry I thought fell out earlier. I just found it. Smushed in my seat. Just the last 9 weeks worth of videos here that I teach and show you how I trade at least the Asia session with Rocket Scooter. What's up, G? Jian Guan? Thanks for being here, man. Hope I said that name right. I need to borrow Matt's Ferrari and take it for a sprint. It's not Matt's Ferrari, it's IDOC's Ferrari. Don't forget. I don't know if IDOC would let me borrow it. She might. She would probably let Lady Darb borrow it before she'd let me borrow it. Remington, the overnight levels are pretty far away from current price action right now. The closest one we have is hedge pressure on NQ. ES, dynamic hedge pressure, is 20 points lower, which seems like a mile away compared to the way price is moving currently. So, $50 a minute? Yeah. $50 is my number. $50 a second. $50 a minute. Are you a progressive trader? I don't know what progressive trader, I don't know what you mean by progressive trader. I'm sorry about that. Did we get to 350 likes? Hey, let's go. 350 likes. Thank you guys. Target met. Target met. All right, we're going to give away a Funded Next 25K rapid account. That gives us something to do when the market's not behaving. We're going to need some keyword suggestions, code word suggestions for the giveaway. What do you guys suggest? Bored? Jojo, stop loss, lost fries. That's funny. I love it. Potatoes, French fries, French fry. Papalet. There's one vote for Papalet. I see it. Oh, we gotta do 420. It's 420. We gotta do 420. 420. There it is. Today is 420. That's it. Everybody type in 420. This is Elon Musk's favorite day of the year. There was a time a couple weeks ago when I challenged Matt to finish his $1 million challenge on 420. I don't know if you guys were ever watching the stream, but there was one day, I don't know, it was maybe January or February or something, but he was trading his $1 million challenge account. And people were trolling him online because the day before he had lost like 50K or something like that. Never mind that for 10 days in a row he had made like 60K. They only cared about the one day he lost 50K. But anyway, he made, the trolls were popping into the chat that day pretty aggressively. And he was in a winning trade, and he kept getting into the winning trade, and it kept going up and up and up. And he made that day 69,420 on the dot. Like, he made 69,420 on the dot. It was insane. It was one of the best. It was one of the best trollbacks that you could have done to all the trolls. It was such a good, like, impressive move that you landed. And he was even like, I'm gonna make 69,420, and he got it to the dollar. He got it to the dollar. Oh my gosh, it was so good. All right. Oh man. I don't know why I'm yawning so much. Maybe I'm just like, when there's nothing to do, when there's no trades to be like focused on and taking, it's just hard to concentrate. Keep the energy up, keep the vibes up. Maybe. I don't know. Anybody trading with is anybody trading with funded seat right now? I've heard some buzz online about funded seat. Anybody using them?
Let's see the green on the screen.
All right, here we go. We're getting a little dippy dip on ES at least.
DMs blowing up. Teach me, king, drop the pen. Envy in their eyes like I hacked the code overnight.
Never heard of him?
9 years in
I've
the
heard more and more
trenches
people
the fire.
talking about him. I was just wondering.
Let's rewind. When the door first cracked open, this ain't luck. This is blood on the token. 2016, 41, punching in at the office grind. 5 days a week, 9 to 5, leaving dreams behind.
So ES is retesting the Asia Open here. NQ still has a ways to go. I think I would rather wait for NQ to drop down, which means ES is going to come back under and maybe make a new session low. I wish they were moving more in sync together. They're not.
Late 24, doom scrolling on lunch in the break room. Stumbled on rocket scooter, mess spitting tactics. YouTube live, no fluff, just
Man,
breaking down the tape like a surgeon.
this freaking range right here is driving me crud. Like I just,
Cut the noise, unlock the key. Sign
it takes all conviction out of
I missed at 41, now they whisper my
my analysis.
punching 5 days. But now the chart's so big. We can hustle cash, turn seed money. Finally seeing no way.
You got 50 more seconds, guys. If you're just joining the stream, first of all, welcome in. Thanks for being here. My name is Brad. I'm the host of the Night Shift. We're giving away a Funded Next 25K rapid account. These are great accounts. They're 1 day to pass. If you pass and you get funded, then you have 3 days of 40% consistency, and then you can take your payout. So you can go from evaluation to payout in 4 days. You can get a payout in 4 days from the time you have an eval, and then after you take your first payout, you can get a payout every 3 days after that. They're really, really, really good accounts.
Memory lane, it's a bridge, not a grave. It wasn't overnight. Rocket scooter Matt, you a real one. It wasn't overnight.
All right, entries are closed. No more entries. Entries are closed. You can stop typing 420. We've got all of the names. The bot is turned off. No more entries. Copy users. We're going to get our wheel of names up over here. Wheel of names. We spin the wheel and we find winners. That's how we're going to do it. We're going to delete all these people. Put in all of the giveaways. All right. We're giving away a Funded Next 25K rapid account, guys. We're going to shuffle up the wheel here. And we're going to spin it. Winner is Albio 21YT. Albio 21YT. Type something in chat to claim your prize. Congratulations, you're the winner. Let me know you're here and I'll tell you how to claim your prize. Albio 21YT. Rigged, rigged, rigged. There's one congrats and then rigged, rigged. I know we got sound effects on the wheel now. Albio, you have 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You're gone. He gone. He gone. He gone. He gone. All right, shuffling it up. We're respinning. Let's hear the sound effects, by the way. Let's get the sound effects. We got sound effects on the wheel now. Here we go. Winner is Joe Brown. Congratulations, Joe Brown. Type something in chat to let me know you're here, and I'll tell you how to claim your prize. Joe Brown, are you in the house? Is he here? There he is. I see you. All right. He's here. Joe Brown, congratulations. You're the winner. Here's what you're going to do, Joe. Joe, you have to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find the link in the description of this video. You can find the link in the pinned message of this chat. Go to the Prop Score Discord. You're going to go to the giveaway YouTube channel. So there's two channels. There's one that says giveaway Discord and giveaways YouTube. Go to the giveaways YouTube, and there are instructions in that channel on how to claim your Funded Next 25K Rapid account. All right, buddy? Congratulations. Guys, don't go anywhere. We still have 2 more accounts to give away, 3 more accounts to give away because Papa Les donated $80 for another account tonight. We have 3 more prop accounts to give away. We just crossed 400 likes, so that means I'm going to give away 4 additional boot camps to the 8 that have already been donated. So we have 12 boot camps to give away and 3 more prop accounts to give away. We got 700 people here on the stream. Let's get to 500 likes. We'll do our next giveaway. We just crossed 400. Let's get to 500 likes, and we will do our next account giveaway, all right? Smash that like button. Let's get it going. We need to get the likes up to 500. Papa Les says, I better get a hat with Matt's likeness with a spinning propeller. Oh, my gosh. All right. We're getting close. We're about to start cooking. That was about where I was looking to get in. I could have tickled the wick on that one. Let's see if we can get one more. Let's see if I can get one more pullback here. I hope that wasn't my entry that I missed while I was doing the while I was trying to be an awesome host and give away accounts to everyone. I might have just missed my golden entry. I literally had this drawn out right here where I wanted. Damn it. We'll see if we get one more. If I can get one more down. Let me get one more down. What's up, Trey? How you doing, baby? I know, that's what happened yesterday too, wasn't it? It's all right. I'm chill. It's all good. We're not in a rush. Patience pays, baby. I am not in a rush. Trading and streaming do not go hand in hand, as we've seen the last 8 weeks. Got to get out of work for the night. Feed the family. Go tuck yourself, everybody. Have a great night, Iron Pigeon Investing. Thank you so much for being here. You can go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow. No tickling wicks. I'm going to tickle a wick. Don't tell me I can't tickle a wick. I'm gonna find a wick to tickle. Just you wait. Gringo Logan says, okay, there I logged into my granddaughter's tablet and have it running on the other screen and hit the like. There you go. That's what granddaughters are for. To hijack their YouTube accounts and get the likes up. Upgraded from Wick Sniffer to Wick Snorter. Whoa, it is 420. Gabe, you're gonna go tuck yourself as well. All right, buddy. I don't know why I feel tired tonight too, guys. Like I feel like my eyes feel heavy and I just keep yawning. KD, Trey, you just got off the new job? Killing it? Let's go, baby. Let's go. So happy for you, man. I'm so happy for you. Mooleezy says, first time watching you, and I love it, bro. Love your energy and good vibes. Thanks so much, man. I appreciate that. Thanks for joining the show. Thanks for joining the Rocket Scooter family. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you notify. We have 3 shows, Mooleezy, on this channel every single day. I host the night shift. My name is Brad. I host the night shift. We're here from 7 Eastern until 11 Eastern. We go for 4 hours every night. This is the Day Trading with Matt YouTube channel. He's the founder of this channel and the inventor of the Rocket Scooter platform that we use to trade with. And he streams in the morning, New York session, and then our friend Neon streams in the afternoon until market close. So we have almost full coverage of the market. Matt has said sometime this year he's going to try to add 2 more streamers to cover the time slot when I get off up until the London session, and then someone to trade and stream the London session as well. So we'll see. We'll hopefully maybe here soon, sometime this year, we'll have a show on all the time, around the clock, for all of you DGen traders across the world. I have never tried TradeC yet. I have seen it, I know about it, but I haven't yet used it. ES dropping lower here. Wondering if this is just going to sell off tonight. I'm going to stick with my thesis that we're going long here. I'm going to set a limit order right there, see if we can tickle a wick. See if we can't tickle a wick right there. You like TradeC better than Tradeovate? I'm not a big fan of Tradeovate. That's why I use Tradeovate to log into TradingView. I'm just so used to trading on TradingView. MHP for ES is it's like 20 points lower. Well, hedge pressure is at 134. Dynamic hedge pressure is below DD band on ES, and it's below DD band on NQ, like way down. This is a super bullish structure. We opened way above. That's why I'm looking to buy any dips that we can get. This is the dip that I was looking to buy. I was hoping we can get back down just a little bit further. ES is coming back to test the Asia Open from below. NQ never got to test its Asia Open again, so I'm hoping we get a dip down into here on a. So basically, just think of this as like a higher time frame retrace. We dip and go. That's what I'm hoping for. tickle a wick down here near the Asia Open. I have to check Tick Blaze for platform. I've never heard of that before. Tick Blaze. I'll have to go check it out. Trey D says, "Hey Darb, if you show me how to post a song in the song channel, I might post one." You go. So all of the song submission channels, guys, have been moved over to the Prop Score Discord. So go to the Prop Score Discord now. And you go down into the community section, and there's a song submission channel there. I Am Liquidity's put some songs in there. Rogue of the Lamb has put some songs in there. So if you have some AI songs that you'd like to submit and have us play here on the show, you'll go to the Prop Score Discord and drop them in there. I don't really have a bias for gold because I don't really trade gold. It's in a sideways consolidation range for the last 4 hours. Very choppy for the last hour. This was Friday's gap down to Sunday's open. We have just closed in the last couple hours, closed that gap. I mean, from a technical standpoint, you could make a case that we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, but that's inside of a larger consolidation area, so I don't really know what bias I would have in this type of environment on gold. I don't trade gold. That's just a quick technical analysis. I don't have a good, strong thesis on any of that. Well, it looks like I missed my wick tickle opportunity there. I was looking for one more pullback, didn't quite get it. Blue Sky says you took a crack at making a song last week and saving it for your stream to debut it. Dude, put it in the song submission channel. Let's hear it, man. Maluzi, yeah, I'm here at 7 o'clock Eastern. So an hour after the market opens, I come on. The camera's lagging again? Everything looks fine on my end. We need to get to 500 likes. We're at 440. The next giveaway will be at 500 likes. We need 60 more likes, guys. Smash that like button if you would, please. I would appreciate it. Smash that like button. Just did? Okay, cool. We got a new song submission. On prop score. Let me go over to the prop score. Song submission. Wait, I don't see it. What's it called? What's the name of the song? YouTube is acting up. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. Everything looks good on my end. Hold on. I think I figured out what the problem was. I think I figured out what the problem was. I think I accidentally switched over. Yeah, okay, we're good now. I accidentally hit the network cable and it switched off from wired to wireless. So I ran a speed test and it was at like 100 down and like 100 up. And I checked my cable and it was I reset it and now I'm at 700 down and 900 up. So we should be golden now. So sorry about that, guys. The network cable is right. It's under my desk where it comes in from the wall. And my toes tickled it. Trady, you can't join the Prop Score Discord. If you go to the link in the description of this video to Prop Score, you can find that there. You just click on that link. Whoa! Holy mother! What the heck was that? What in the world? Blue pill candle right there. That makes me sad I didn't get my wig tickle. What in the world was that about? I don't see any news headlines. I don't know. We still didn't fill the gap. That was crazy. A Trump candle? Is he talking is he speaking somewhere that's not on the news anywhere? Dang. Guys, did anybody get in at that level that I marked up? Did anybody get in at that level that I marked up earlier that I missed when we were doing the giveaway? Because you just made some serious bank. You're welcome, by the way. That's crazy. You got all of it? Good job, guys. Hey, you know what? I'll take one for the team. You're welcome. Even though I didn't put any green on the board and I'm a little burnt about it. I'm glad that you all took my analysis to heart and made a little cash money. Oh my gosh. That's nuts, man. Well, you know what? It's fine. I'm not mad about it. But if you made some money from my analysis, whip it out. Let's see it, baby. Show me what you got down there. Let me see that P&L.
Whip it out. Show your P&L. Yeah, whip it out. Let's see the P&L. Whip it out. Whip it out.
Zero. Hey, I'm a big zero too, Moonlight. Don't worry about it. I'm a big zero on that move too. Nice. 375, 315, and 11 accounts. Let's go. All right. 355, 319, 61, 36, 425. I love it. 120, 134 times 7. $1,600 from Cameron Beck. Nice. 1039, 1,500 even. Nice. 350. Let's go, guys. Good job, y'all. That's the way to be patient. That's why patience pays. 1320, 1,500 for the night. I like it. 886 minus 452. You were short. Oh no. Yeah, but we knew Vance was traveling to Pakistan. We've known that all afternoon. They were talking about that this afternoon. I don't know why that would have moved anything. 3,100. Woo. 458, 628. Nice. 7K. What? Nice, guys. Nice. Go to the Prop Score P&L channel and post your P&L in the Prop Score channel. We're building that community over there. That community exists for you all. Farina says she will like and heart every submission personally. That's nice. I'm a little bummed I didn't tickle that wick. I was a little distracted during the prop firm giveaway. I'm not gonna say that's an excuse, but I was a little distracted. But I'm so happy for you guys for taking advantage of that big move right there. Congratulations, y'all. Good job. I'm happy to be of assistance to you tonight, giving you my analysis and teaching you all of the wonderful tricks of the trade that yield Sir Darb Irishman, that Sir Darb Irishman on 420, hooking you up. Oh my gosh. Well, the night's young. We still have 2 hours to go in the show. And we still have a lot of time. We still have a lot of time to go. Are we at 700? Are we at 500 likes? Did we get there? 465. Not yet. We need to get to 500 likes, guys. We have 3 more prop accounts to give away. 3 more prop accounts to give away tonight. We got to get to 500 likes before we can do the next at least one. We also have 12 boot camps to give away too. So smash it. Do you even smash the like button? Sir Darby or Irishman. Sir Darby. Sir Darby. Sir Darby. The Irishman. Chandler Keener says, first time viewer, this is awesome. Where am I? You're at the best Asia session trading show on the planet right now. That's where you are, my friend. My name is Brad, by the way, Chandler. Nice to meet you. Thanks for being here, buddy. Smash that like button. What's up, Steve? Just found your channel. Love it so far, Brad. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. Where are you in? Are you actually in New York City? What part of New York City are you in? I've been there one time. My wife and I were in New York City for our 25th wedding anniversary at New Year's Eve, and it was the most incredible experience of all time. We were personally ushered in to Times Square by the head of the New York PD anti-terrorist unit. He walked us all the way down to right underneath where the ball drops. We met the naked cowboy. He picked up my wife. We took a picture with him. And then he walked us through all of the people that were in the cages lined up. We met Ryan Seacrest right after he got off of the air, and we got a picture with him and talked to him right after he got off, doing like his live interviews. We stood right next to the stage where Mariah Carey was performing the year that she had a complete meltdown and couldn't remember the words, and all of her music got off, and she just looked like a complete idiot. It was the most incredible experience I've ever had. I lost your card when I overheard something about not wanting a whole potato. Okay, listen. No, slacks. Listen, I love potatoes. In fact, you can ask anybody in my family. I make the best mashed potatoes that you've ever had. I also make the best potato soup you ever had. I am a potato aficionado. I just don't like, when I get my Chick-fil-A waffle fries, I don't like the big, like when you get the edge of the potato that they couldn't slice off into a waffle fry, and it's just a big mushy chunk of potato. I just don't like them. That's all I said. It wasn't that it's not that I'll eat a whole potato, but it's got to be like a mashed or a baked potato, you know? I can't do the big chunky non-waffle fry when what I want is a waffle fry. Mrs. Zinzin Supernova says, say this in an Irish accent. I'll make a balloon and fly away. I don't know how to do. You have to spell it so that it sounds phonetically Irish, because I can't just do the Irish accent. I wish I could. I'm not Neon. Neon has some great accents. I cannot do accents. I have to read it like it sounds. So if you can spell it the way it would sound in an Irish accent, I'll read it. Kelly Kaufman says, come to Idaho, Brad. You'll be in heaven. I'll show you and the missus around. Oh, dude, I'd love to come to Idaho. Idaho looks beautiful. All forms of potatoes are accepted by your people. Yeah. Oh, I got some in my eyeball. Lucky Charms. I do remember Lucky Charms. I just can't do the accent if it's spelled out. You're out of SP? Were you short? Man, I can't believe I didn't get into that trade tonight. That makes me really kind of... It makes me... 501 likes. Let's go, guys. 501 likes. All right. Say Space Ghettos, and that is Spice Girls in a Scottish accent. Space Ghettos. Space Ghettos. Is it really? I don't hear it. Space Ghettos? Spice Girls? Space Ghettos? I hear it. All right. Oh, man. All right, we hit our 500 likes. Gosh, freaking eyeballs, man. Where's my eye drops? All right. Matt posted in the chat for us. Says huge giveaways on our Twitter right now. It's a month of giveaways. Go to x.com prop scores. X.com prop scores. Make sure you follow. We're doing a giveaway on Twitter right now. We're launching prop scores. If you haven't heard, we talked about it a lot. We're launching this. We're in the beta release right now. Okay. So all of you YouTube people, all of you wonderful YouTube people are part of our beta release of the Prop Score website. All right. This is a auditing credit score for prop firms. It's a mathematical ranking that assigns every rule that you could think of for these accounts. It goes through a mathematical algorithm, and we produce a score for each account. We don't care about the marketing. All we care about is what does the math say. And we're doing, and because we're launching it and we're trying to get a lot of momentum behind it, we're of course doing a ton of giveaways, both on the Prop Score Discord. We're doing giveaways on Prop Score on the X.com, on Twitter, and we're of course doing them here on YouTube as well. And in fact, we just hit 500 likes. And we're going to do our next giveaway. Our next giveaway tonight is Earn to Trade 25K Trader Career Path account. Let me pull this up and let me show you what this is, all right? Earn to Trade. A lot of you may have never heard of these people. I really had never heard of them. They've been around for quite a while, but as we've been building up the Prop Score website, we've been reaching out to all of the prop firms and telling them about our site. They are all really excited about it. They're excited about not being manipulated to enforced and blackmailed to pay to get a better ranking. This is a completely neutral, unbiased, mathematical ranking. And so all of these firms are like, yeah, thank you, finally. Just put our numbers in and people will be able to tell whether it's a good account or not. And so because of that, they're all giving us a lot of accounts to give away to you guys. Earn to Trade is one of the accounts that we're going to be giving away tonight. We're going to give away, the first one is a 25K account. Okay, you can trade on Trade of 8, NinjaTrader. This is a really cool concept. So it's actually a career path. So if you start on a 25K account, the idea is that you can grow up to a $400,000 live account. Okay, so here's how that works, or $200,000 account. So you start with $25,000 evaluation. All right, you have a $1,750 profit goal. You have an end-of-day drawdown of $1,500 and a daily loss limit of $550. When you pass this, you go into a live sim account, okay? So you pass the eval just like you would on any other eval that you're gonna get. If you pass it, you go to the live sim account. When you're in the live sim account, you have a $1,500 trailing drawdown, end-of-day drawdown, a $550 daily loss limit, and a profit goal of $1,750. Once you hit your profit goal, you can take out $1,400. They close this account down and they move you up to a 50K account. So as soon as you hit your profit target and you take your payout, you immediately move to a 50K account and you do it all again. Now you have a $2,000 trailing drawdown with $3,000. $1,100 loss limit. When you hit that profit, you take out 80% and they move you to a 100K account. And then you do it all again. And then when you take that out and you hit that profit goal, they move you to a $200,000 live account. A $200,000 live account with a fixed drawdown of $6,000. It's a pretty cool concept. So we're going to give away a 25K account right now. We're going to do a 25K account right now. Let's do the keyword. Let me get my keyword picker up here. The keyword, we can do earn to trade. That's fine. Earn to trade, all one word. Earn to trade. Earn to trade. Type that into the chat right now if you would like to be entered into this drawing to win a 25K TCP. TCP stands for Trader Career Path. We're going to give away a 25K Trader Career Path account right now. Type in Earn to Trade into the chat, all right? Guys, we got 2 more hours. I'm stoked. I hope you are too, because after this, we still have 2 more accounts to give away and 12 boot camps to give away. I'm so bummed about missing that trade, man. What a great analysis. I was so patient. I was waiting. I was so patient. I had this marked out. But nonetheless, I'm glad some of you made money off of my analysis tonight. Those accounts cost $75 if you use code SCORE. If you use code SCORE, pick 50, remove that. If you use code SCORE, It's $75. The 25K is a $75 account with code SCORE. And you can use Trade of 8. You put in all your details, of course, sign up. Code SCORE, $75. Which is kind of in line with the Lucid accounts and the Rapid accounts that we've seen on other sites recently. No activation fee. Nope. No activation fee. No, this is, I believe it is a monthly fee though. Free reset when rebuild. Yeah, so it is a monthly, it's a monthly build every 30 days. No, no activation, but it is rebuild every 30 days.
Bulls on bottom, arriba let go.
Yeah, I mean, Blue Skies, I get what you're saying. They definitely are not allowing you to build a buffer and keep trading off of a buffer. They want to keep pushing you into higher accounts. So I understand the model, but if you're consistent and you have an edge in the market, being able to turn $75 into a 25K account, a 50 account, a 100K account, and then a 200K account that's live. I mean, all for $75. Not bad. You know, when you think about it like that. It's an interesting concept. It's definitely one that I'm probably like, you know, if I won this account, I would be like, cool, I'm going to do it. I don't know that it's going to be, we don't have Earn to Trade live on Prop Score yet, so I don't know how it scores out on Prop Score. But I'll be interested to see how these accounts score out. I'm not a fan of the daily draw. The daily loss limits are the ones that I'm not a big fan of, so. All right, we got 1 more minute. If you haven't typed Earn to Trade, we are giving away a 25K Earn to Trade account right now, so type that into chat. We're going to give it away in 45 seconds. Let me get my wheel of names up. Do you even trade, bro? I'm surprised we haven't gotten those tonight. Maybe so many people have watched that they know now. Oh, this guy does trade. You got 20 seconds, 20 more seconds, and then entries are closed. All right. No more entries. Entries are closed. Entries are closed. You can stop typing. You can stop typing. Entries are closed. Take Rocket Scooter off of there. We don't need him in there. All right. Reset the tool. Turn it off. All right. It's turned off. All right, guys. This is for a 25K Earn to Trade account. Let's listen to the sound effects. Let's turn that off. We got sound effects now. Here we go. The winner is Keith and Matthew. Congratulations, Keith. You just won a Earn to Trade 25K Trader Career Path. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Congratulations, my friend. Respin, he's not here. Guy a second. Give the guy a second. There he is. Keith Matthew. Holy. It's you, buddy. You won. Keith Matthew, you are the winner. Earned a trade, 25K. All right, Keith, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go into the description of this Discord, or of this video. Gosh, I can't talk. The description of this video has a link to the Prop Score Discord. You can also find it in the pinned message of the chat. Go into the Prop Score Discord. Hopefully you're a member already. If you're not, you can become one. Join the Prop Score Discord. Go to the giveaways YouTube channel, and there are specific instructions in there about how to claim your prize. All right. So congratulations, Keith. Thanks for being here. Guys, don't go away. We just gave away a 25K earned a trade. The next account we're giving away is a 50K earned a trade. A 50K earned a trade. And we're going to do that when we get to 600 likes. So we got 60 more likes to go. Smash that like button. We got 60 more likes to go. At 600 likes, we'll do a 50K earn to trade. Let's get it done. This guy is a scammer. Who's a scammer? Keith Matthew? Keith is a scammer? I don't understand. I'm not sure if the winner has to pay the monthly sub or not. I don't know if it's just the first month free or if it's the life of the account. I'm not. You can ask support when you go to claim your prize. I'm sure you can find that information out. The real JCL Mentor says, just dropped my first song attempt in the Discord. Tickle them wicks. Let's go, baby. Oh, he said I'm an affiliate scam. Dude, I don't even have an affiliate. I'm not affiliated with one account. I don't have an affiliation with any prop firms. Not one. So I literally don't have a code. Prop Score has a code, and I'm not even on staff at Prop Score. I get paid from Rocket Scooter. Braille AR says, I'm a new trader. I just opened my Apex funding account. I have to hit $3,000 to pass my eval, and I'm willing to learn. This is a great place to learn Braille AR, and I would say hang out because we're going to be giving away 12 Rocket Scooter boot camps towards the end of the show. In about an hour and 15 minutes, we'll give away 12 Rocket Scooter boot camps. That would be a great place to start if you're a new trader, is the Rocket Scooter boot camp. It's only $20. It's very, very cheap. So if you don't win one, it's $20 well worth. If you're willing to pay $20 for an Apex account, I would say spend $20 on Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. It is a fast track to Edge, and it will be something that you will be so glad to have in your tool bag as you're just starting off into this trading career. Oh, no, dude, it's totally cool when people come in here and say whatever they need to say. It's totally cool. I don't know. I had an entry down here, and we were doing our giveaway. People were asking me where I wanted to get long, and I drew this out. I literally drew a circle right here where I wanted to get long, and we were doing a giveaway. And when I turned the camera, or when I turned it off, I missed my entry, and then we got these big blue pill candles right here that took off. But a lot of people in chat were able to use that and make a lot of money tonight, so I'm happy for them. I just didn't get in on it, sadly. Is the new camera too powerful for the bitrate upload? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know that much about cameras to tell you if it's why the camera might be stuttering like that. I'm an audio guy, not a video guy. Oh, my circle was not lower. What are you talking about? Go rewind the stream. I literally drew this out right here. I literally drew that out right there. It's on video. Rewind the stream. You can see exactly where I drew that out. I don't know why it's choppy. It's so weird. Because it wasn't like that earlier. I'm wondering if it's just as the stream is going longer. I don't know. Connection's good. It's hardwired in. No, I know. You can troll me, dude. Shoot, I hit my hand. I love trolls. I love it when people who know me troll me even better or roast me. If you can't learn to laugh at yourself, you're taking yourself way too seriously. 100%. Do you even draw circles? Do you even draw on your charts, bro? I should have left it. Speed test? Yeah, so look, I'll show you the speed test. We're all good on the speed test.
Teach me, King, drop the pen. Envy in their eyes like I hacked the code overnight.
Did it unplugged again?
The truth.
Oh, we're still plugged in good.
9 years in the trenches in the fire. Let's rewind. When the door first
Yeah, I mean, like that's my upload speed. Download was 485. It is a little slower than it was earlier, but this is still plenty good for. I mean, that's perfectly fine for what we're trying to do here. I may have just too much stuff open. Maybe I just need to close some. Let me close some tabs down. I'll close some tabs down and just go back, close that down. Let's close that down. Close that down. We'll just close some tabs down. See if we can clean it up a little bit. It may just, the RAM may have just gotten caught up. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming as such viewers will experience. I don't know why. Like we're getting, All right, is it better? Are we back? Are we back to smooth? Let me look at my properties. It's on. Are we back? It looks smoother already. No, I'm not gonna reconnect it. I think it's good now. I think I just had too much going on. All right. We're good now. We're back. I think I was asking so much video, audio processing. I had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had like 15 tabs here, 4 tabs there. Trade of 8. OBS. Suno's playing music. Trade of 8. 2 things of Trade of 8 going. Yacht says you got 9 Apex 25K accounts for $19 each. If you have a minute, give a how you would go about managing 9. Thanks, Brad. Only if it's something you can share. So on the eval side, you could either rotate them all through, like one at a time, like set kind of a daily profit target that you would want to make, how fast you want to pass them, etc., and then divide that out by how many wins you're going to need and how many trades you're going to need to take. So option 1 is rotate them through one at a time, which is probably what I would do. Option 2 would be set up a copy trader and put 2 accounts in each group and 3 accounts in one group. And then you would use those groups. You would rotate those groups on a copy trader. I would not put all 9 into one copy trading group and trade all 9 accounts at the same time. That's what they want you to do, so that you'll blow all of them up and buy 9 more new ones. I'm not looking. I would be looking to get long, but my prime entry, I missed it. So now I'm just waiting. We're still sitting at the top of the zone here. We still have not filled the opening week gap from Friday's close on NQ or ES. I think NQ is about to hit it here. Let me see here. If someone was like, you have to push a button right now or you're never going to be able to trade ever again, push a button, I would probably push the buy button. I'm bullish overall, at least for right now. So, but it's just not in an area where I feel like I have a strong conviction about pushing the buy button right away. I would rather have a deeper pullback. And I just don't. I think my prime A+ trade was right here, and I didn't push the button there to get in. Sadly. Yeah, you were going to trade 3 at a time. Groups, yeah, three at a time is, if you have 9 and you want to trade it, just treat it as 3 accounts. Even though there's 3 in each group, you would just rotate. That's not a bad way to do it either. I just wouldn't do them all at the same time. I would figure out some way to spread my risk out over those 9 accounts. Yeah, the intraday, if I pass this take profit account that the chat made me buy last night, even though I didn't want to, chat made me buy take profit last night. If I pass this, which I'm halfway to passing it in one day already, if I pass it, I'm going to have to deal with the intraday trailing drawdown, which I absolutely cannot stand. So you'll be able to, if I pass this, you'll be able to see how I do that. And I'm not even sure how I'm going to approach it, quite honestly. I'm really not. All right, we got some new songs in the song submission channel. In the prop score, on the prop score website, in the song submission channel, we got some new, we got a song called Tickle Them Wicks from Clint. Let's listen. What's up, somebody? Thanks for coming in and smashing that like button.
If the open gets the
Guys, we need 25 more likes to do our next giveaway. 25 more likes. Smash it. Let's go.
Tape like gospel through these tired old eyes. Tickle them wicks, let them shake and swing. MES in the pocket, M&Q on the string. Tickle them wicks, don't chase every flame. When the smoke clears out, baby, I'm still in the game.
This reminds me of some 90s country.
Got a small town
I like it.
and a stop underhand. I don't need no hero. I just
Like
need
some
a
old
plan.
Travis Tritt.
When the range gets sloppy and the breakout acts bold, I let the fake outs run on by. Then I take what it told. If the crowd starts hollering,
Thank you, Trade with Sonic. Thank you.
one clean click of patience puts a smile on my face. Tickle them wicks,
Dude, this is really good.
let them shake and swing. MES in the pocket, M&Q on the string. Tickle them wicks, don't chase every flame. When the smoke clears out, baby, I'm still in the game. Some boys chase the lightning, some boys bet the moon. Me, I wait on the porch rail for that honest tune. When the wick gets kissed and tested and the weak hands run, I sip on my nerve and I let the work get done. Tickle them wicks, let them shake and swing. MES in the pocket.
Yeah, TROUBLE. Yeah.
On the string.
That's exactly what I was thinking. 90s country was the best country music ever, dude.
When the smoke clears out, baby, I'm still in the game.
So good. Dude, Clint. That is a great song. I'm downloading it right now. I'm going to add it. I'm adding it to my I got a little playlist going in my music folder here. I'm downloading it right now, baby. Tickle Them Wicks is going in my folder. There it is. Nice. It's in. Who was that? Who's Clint? Clint, who was that? It's Clint is his name on Discord, but who are you in the who are you in the YouTubes? Mara, I had a setup. Yeah, I just missed my entry. We were doing the giveaway and I missed my wick tickle right down here at the bottom. I was eyeballing this entry right here. I had a limit order set a little lower when I missed it. I was hoping we get one more dip. When I missed that, it was coming back up and I set a limit order hoping for one more dive and I didn't get it. And then we just popped. That's fine. You can do song requests. Just type in what song you want to hear right here and we'll play whatever. I don't know who that was. Who's Clint in the Discord? Whose song did we just play? I don't know who that was. Blue Skies, which one's yours? Are we at 600? 592 likes, guys. We got 8 more likes to go. Come on. Clint Wickman. Randy Wickman, Pump It Up song, Goodness of God. Song request. One up T lose lose. I don't one up fee lose lose. It's got to be in the song submission channel. It's got to be one of the AI stuff. Yeah, we can't play any song that's out on Spotify or whatever. We can't play. It has to be community created. Has to be community created. This is Kyle's Almost There Again. I am liquidity. I'm still here. Yeah, we can play I'm Still Here in a second. This song and the last one I just played can be found in the Prop Score submission channel. And you're gonna want to join the Prop Score. You're gonna want to join Prop Score Discord because we're doing giveaways in there every day in the Prop Score Discord. We're doing giveaways on x.com on the Prop Score channel. So you're gonna want to follow Prop Score on x.com. And we're doing giveaways here on YouTube. We are gonna be doing tons of giveaways over the next couple weeks as we launch Prop Score. I feel like I get more upset about trades that I wanted to take that I didn't get into than trades that I get into and lose. Yeah, NQ could definitely push higher today. Absolutely. We've already taken out the previous day high. We've taken out previous day high. We're reaching for Friday's high right here. Oh no, Friday's high is way over here, I guess. Whoops. Don't know how I got that on there. This will act as resistance right here. The top of this gap will act as resistance. I don't know that I would want to short off of it, but just be mindful. If you're like, if I was long from this position right here, this price level would be where I would want to be trying to get out of, or at least take some profits and reduce my size. If not, just close it all out. Did we hit it? Did we get it? 600 likes. Let's go, baby. Joel of Trades, greetings and salutations, my friend. Welcome into the show tonight. What's up? What's up, Greg P? How you doing? No, I did want to take a trade down here. I'm not in any trades right now. Haven't taken any trades tonight. It is very unusual for me to not take a trade on the night shift. I was eyeballing this long right here and I just missed it. We were doing a giveaway. I was spinning the wheel to help chat win a free account, and I just missed it. It's fine. It's okay. There's always going to be another wave. The market is like the ocean. If you paddle out into the ocean and there's a wave you see coming and you just miss it, do you turn around and chase that wave, or do you sit on your board and do you wait for another wave to come? You don't chase it. You sit there and you wait for the next wave because it's the freaking ocean. There's always going to be another wave to catch. It's not going anywhere. If you walk up to the bus stop and the bus is pulling away from you, you don't run down the street chasing the bus. You stand at the bus stop and you wait for the next bus to show up and get on that one. No FOMO, baby. No FOMO. What's up, Skeletor? Wild man. Wild man Viper says, I wait for the short bus. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we're gonna do another prop account giveaway. This time we're doing an earn to trade 50K account. Earn to trade 50K account. We do need a new keyword. We need a new keyword. We can't do earn to trade again for a second time. We're gonna need a new keyword. What should the new keyword be for the 50K? What do you think? No FOMO. Let's do another wave. Oh, those are both good. No FOMO, another wave, short bus. Oh, next wave. I like next wave. Let's do it. Next wave is the one. That's it. Next wave, baby. We're just waiting for the next wave. That's all we're doing. That's what trading is all about. If you miss one wave, don't paddle after it. You're not going to catch it. Wait for the next wave. Next wave, all one word. Let's go. Type it in. Next wave is your keyword. Type it in. We're giving away a earn to trade 50K account. And while you're typing that in, let's listen to my current favorite song. My current favorite song. For those of you that blew up accounts today, for those of you that are having a hard time passing evals and getting payouts, for those of you that are wondering why you're still doing this, this song is for you. And it's for me. I wrote it for me. But I hope maybe it speaks to you too. It's called I'm Still Here.
Yeah. You ever sit there? Know exactly why it happened. Still do it anyway. Yeah. Blew it again, I ain't say a word. Stared at the number like, nah, that's absurd. Knew what I did, yeah, I knew what it cost. Knew I regretted the second it's lost. No one to blame, I can't shift that truth. Just me and the proof, yeah, me and the proof. Said I'll fix it, I done said that before. That's what it is, yeah, that's what it's for. That's the part that'll mess with your head. Not the losses, the lies you said. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. Next day woke up, didn't feel that drive. Almost shut it down like I tried. Hovered on the edge like what this proved. All that time spent just to lose. And not that same loop, not that same regret, not that same version I ain't be yet. So I slowed it down, yeah, I cut that size. Had to learn control, had to kill that pride. Every loss now got a lesson in it. Every move got intention in it. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. It wasn't the market, it was me. Every time I broke my rules, every time I knew better and didn't do better. That was me. But I didn't leave. They said you done. They say you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I'll live that. I'm still here. They say you done. I'm still here. Said
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there, ladies and gentlemen. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We're catching the next wave. All right. Entries are closed. Entries are closed. No more typing. Entries are closed. Come on. Let's go. Let's get rid of all these people. We're dumping in the new names. All right. We're giving away a earn to trade 50K account. Earn to trade 50K TCP, Trader Career Path. Let me know. Part of the reason that we're doing these accounts before I click the button is we want you to go try these accounts, and then when we want you to come back and tell us what you think about them. All right? So a lot of these firms that we're going to be working with, we may not have traded with them before. We don't have a lot of experience with them. They're giving us accounts that we can give to you all for you guys to try. And then you come back and you report, hey, I liked this, I didn't like that, it worked well, they denied my payout, they banned me, their rules were crappy, their support sucked, their support was awesome, it was a great experience. Whatever it was, you give us your review of that account and you can add it to the PropScore website. You can actually review that firm on PropScore, and it will help the whole community understand what they're about, all right? So we're gonna shuffle it up. We're giving away an earn to trade 50K account. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. We got to get the sound effects. Winner is Joshua Johnson. Joshua Johnson, congratulations. You just won an earn to trade 50K account. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here, and I'll tell you how to claim your prize. Rigged. Joshua Johnson, you're going to need to type something in chat and let me know you're here, my friend. There he is. I see you, bro. All right, Joshua Johnson, here's what you're going to do, my friend. If you have not yet already joined the PropScore Discord, you are going to need to join the PropScore Discord. You can find the link to the PropScore Discord in the description of this video. You can find it in the pinned message of this chat channel. Once you have joined PropScore, go to the giveaways YouTube channel. And there are specific instructions in there that will tell you exactly how to claim your prize. So congratulations, my friend. Thanks you for being here. Guys, don't go anywhere. Our friend, Papa Les, donated another account tonight. Papa Les donated another account to give away tonight. Slacks, are we doing another Lucid Pro? Or should we do something else? You let me know. Little house music. I got to turn this one up just a little bit. Sure. Okay. Papa Les donated $90, so we're going to give away a Lucid 50K Pro account. But we're only at 629 likes. What's the like? Where should we get? Chat, you pick. Chat, you pick. We need the like train to get to what? To give away a Lucid Pro 50K. 700, I see 750, I see 700. It can't be 640. 725, 1,000? Oh my God. 700, 800, 1,000, 25,000, 800, 1,000. Guys, you guys are way more optimistic about how many people are watching this show right now. We're at 650 basically. I feel like we can get another 100 likes. I feel like another 100 likes is a fairly safe. I think we can get there. We have less than an hour to go. 750 I think is the number. 777, that's a good number too. 747. Papa Les donated it, and he says 747, so we're going with 747. Papa Les donated the account. Papa Les said 747, so we're going with 747. We need 747 likes to trigger the next giveaway. We're giving away a Lucid 50K Pro account. These are incredible accounts. Pass in one day. 40% consistency on the funded side. Really, really good accounts. Man, my energy levels have picked up. I guess the caffeine from the caffeine from my Chick-fil-A drink is kicking in because like I'm like got my second win, baby. I'm feeling good. I got the energy up. The keyword is not 747. Stop typing 747. Stop typing. There is no keyword yet. Stop typing. There is no keyword. Stop typing. All you bots. All you bots, stop it. Skydock, knock it off. Keyword, stop typing. Oh my gosh. All right, the question becomes... Oh, this song is so good too. All of these songs at the end of my playlist actually kick ass.
Yeah. Blew another account on the Tuesday night. Watch the slip, yeah, I knew that fight. Had it right there, just one more trade. Turned green to red, like a bad mistake. Every loss got a voice in my head, saying walk away, just leave it.
Papa Les says, Brad, when I have a big announcement, I'm coming to Houston and we can meet in person. Let's do it, buddy. I'm all in. You let me know when you're coming down. We will meet up. We'll get Matt and iDoc and Lady Darb, and we will all go out and have a great, great time. Do you even bot, bro? Your business partners live down here? Oh, cool. Very cool, man. Yeah, dude, next time you come down, let me and Matt know. I would love to hear your story. Make it a recapture. Yeah. All right, I'll turn the music down a little bit. I know people get annoyed by that. There is no artist. This song is called I'm Fighting On. If you like it, you can listen to it. These are all songs that I use Suno to produce. And here's my Suno playlist that has all of the music that we played on the stream tonight, except a couple of songs that are chat submitted in the song submission channel on PropScore. The PropScore Discord has a song submission channel that you can go in and we can play songs. I see a new one in there from 98 SR20 Det. We'll play that one in just a second. Dancing like the weird unk at a wedding. That's me, baby. 747. We've got 101 likes to go. Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button because we don't have no FOMO around here. We got no FOMO, baby. Let's get some house pumping. I think I would choose flex over daily on the Tradeify. You think I sang all these songs? No, I did not.
Heard that voice 1,000 times. Chase that move, pay that price. Let it run,
La Hacienda? No way.
let it go.
Very cool, man.
Not my trade, not my flow. FOMO. I don't chase it, I control it. I don't need it, I outgrow it. FOMO. Flashing green, bait the crowd. Loud moves, get you loud.
I'm putting a little limit order on right here.
Let it breathe, one clean shot.
See if I can tickle a wick.
Hold the line,
Skeletor, you're enjoying the stream. Songs are off the hook. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that, man.
come and go.
It's up. I can't turn it up any louder. You gotta turn your speakers up.
FOMO.
That's as loud as I can get it.
I don't chase it, I control it. I don't need it, I outgrow it.
I don't even have my, I forgot to turn that on tonight. Gotta get the thumbs out.
Slow down. Don't react. Feel it rise. Let it pass. That's the edge. That's the plan. FOMO.
So good, dude. Ah!
I don't chase it, I control it.
Market is moving kind of slow tonight, yeah.
I don't need it.
I'm trying to tickle a little wick here.
FOMO.
Guys, we're up to 686 likes. We need, we're shooting for 747. We have less than an hour. We have less than an hour. We have less than an hour to get there.
Tickling wicks.
Order filled.
We saved the best part of the playlist for the end of the show.
Market moving, everybody leaning in. The candles flashing, noise begin. They all jumping, thinking this D-run. I stay cool, I don't chase none. Let it stretch, let it fake, let it breathe a bit. Seen that movie play out, I don't need that hit. When the highs get loud and the crowd all come hit, I just wait real quiet for the edge to whisper in. Slow hands, let it be. Edge moves quietly. When they all come in, I wait for the wait. Tickling wicks, tickling wicks. The wick tickle up right at the tip. Tickling wicks. Yeah, man, yeah, man. How you catch that? I just grin. I ain't rushing, I just wait to slip in. Top of the wick where it flips. Quick, calm, little life. Tickling wicks. Top of the wick where the pressure flips. Tiny little tap, yeah, that's my zip. In and out school, no drama, no tricks. Just a calm little life. Tickling wicks. Slow hands, let it be. Edge moves quietly. When they all come in, I wait for the wait. Tickling wicks. Tickling wicks. The wick tickle up right at the tip. Tickling wicks. Yeah, man, yeah, man. No chase, no chase. We done run that race. Tip up, that's the sign. Clean entry every time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Tickling wicks. The wick tickle up right at the tip. Tickling wicks. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Tickling wicks. Tickling wicks. Tickling wicks. The wick tickle up right at the tip. Tickling wicks. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Wick tickle up. Tickling wicks. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So good. Oh, and it goes right into Do You Even Trade, Bro? All of these songs on the end of my playlist are so fire, man. I love them so much. All right, we're at 691 likes. We have to get to 747 to do the Lucid 50K Pro giveaway. 747 to do the Lucid Pro 50K account giveaway, all right? And we still have 12 boot camps to give away tonight too, guys. So we still have quite a few giveaways to work through. We've got about 45 minutes left in the show. Got about 45 minutes left in the show tonight.
Now it hits, yeah, the level cracks. Clean entry, yeah, we planned that. TP Prince, chatty rups. Now we quiet, saying, wait, hold up. No hype, just edge. Now you see what we said. Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade, bro? I'm not a shower, I'm a grower.
I'm a grower, baby.
Do you even trade, bro? You came in loud.
There is no other channel. There is no other channel, and dare I say, Neon's show has really good music because he uses some of my music, and he uses a lot of Rogue's music as well. Matt does a little bit of everything. There's no other YouTube channel that has better music for their streams than we do. Not even close. He uses Kyle's too. Yeah. I know he downloads a lot from the song submission channel and puts them in his playlist, so that's cap. Bernardo, the indicators that I have on the chart right now that you can see are an opening week gap. That's the big red box. VWAP, which is volume weighted average price. And that's about it. I would rather use a rocket scooter level, a high volume level from rocket scooter, like the weekly hedge pressure here, or the DD band or the dynamic hedge pressure, but they're so far kind of out of bounds from trading at the moment. This is just a trend following trade. That's all this is just a trend following trade. I am going to assume that the trend will continue to move up and fill the gap. I'm looking for about 20 points, a 20-point scalp on this. You can find the playlist. The Suno playlist is here. I'll put it in chat for you. Oh, sorry. That's not it. There's the Suno playlist. I'm so glad you're here, Jeff. No, don't do that. No, it's fine. Let him in there. Leave him in there. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. I think it's hilarious. It's okay. I'm glad he's here. If he doesn't like the music, it's okay. Music isn't for everybody. I'm just glad he's part of the channel. I'm glad he's watching, man. He can turn the volume down. Did you ever listen to the band The Lonely Islands? I have never. If I have, I don't know that I have, and I'm not familiar with that name. No, you're fine, Kyle. It's fine. Hopefully he doesn't leave and he comes back. I think it's hilarious when people roast me, man. You can roast me. I think it's hilarious. If you come in here and you roast me, especially if you know me, I think it's hilarious. Do you ever watch, like, sometimes there's reels that come out of like famous celebrities reading mean tweets about them. So they get the person that they get, like, I don't know who's a celebrity right now, like Timothy Chalamet, right? And they'll sit him down and they'll make him read all of the mean tweets that people have said about him. I want to do a whole segment of troll quotes about Brad. I think that would be freaking hilarious. I want to do a whole segment of troll quotes about Brad. I think that would be fantastic. Troll quotes on the night shift. Yeah, dude, it's hilarious. It's so funny. The roast of Sir Darby Orland. Hey, Air 23, thank you so much for being here, man. I appreciate you coming in and being part of the community. You can go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow night. Trolly McTroll sauce. Hey, Jeffrey, he's back. Nice. He says, just semi-trolling. You guys are cool. Dude, you can troll me hard. If you don't like the music, you can go after it as hard as you want. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't offend me. You can go after my trading. You can go after anything. It's all fair game, baby. When you're like me, I have been on stage. My whole career is in front of people, and I get critiqued daily, micro critiqued about what I do all the time on stage. There is nothing someone in a chat on YouTube is going to be able to say that's gonna bother me. I 100% promise. Bring it on, baby. It makes my day and it makes me laugh. Now, if you start going after people in the chat, I'll turn you off. But you can come at me as hard as you want. You can come at my music as hard as you want. It just gives me, I love to laugh, and it just gives me stuff to laugh at. So bring it on. I got some good rock up in here. You want to listen to some rock? I'll play a good rock song for you after this. I don't trade metals, Remy Thompson, so I don't really have a good answer for you on whether there's going to be a surge on any of that. So, Rockin' Viper. Rockin' Viper, you smell bad. You can't even smell me, bro. Ken Whiskey says, okay, challenge accepted. Bring it on, baby. You trade oil? I have never traded oil. It seems like recently with the war, it seemed like that would have been a great instrument to be trading with all the volatility over there, but I never did. Can you even smell, bro? Do you even sniff? Stream, let's see, 710 likes, guys. We need 37 more likes. Okay, Grandpa, it's on. Let's go. Bring it on, baby. Oh, yeah, Rogue. I'll play. Yeah, that is a really good one. I'll play that one in a second. I'm going to play the one I wrote for Matt. Back when Matt was getting heavily trolled, I wrote a song called Say My Name. Because the whole point of social media and growing a YouTube channel and a social media following is just to get people to talk about you. And when trolls show up, they start doing your job for you. And they don't understand that. So we're going to play a song that I wrote for Matt called Say My Name. This is a rock tune. Here you go. Papa Les says, if someone calls me grandpa, I challenge him to a cattle wrestling contest. Yeah, yeah. To close the gap, you want a candle to close above because we did close with the wicked eight. No. So we closed from the 4 p.m. settle, but we have not closed the Friday print. The last print on Friday was up here. We haven't closed that yet. We closed the 4 p.m. close right here. We closed that. We have not closed the Friday print price yet. That is the week. That is the official opening week gap level, not the 4 p.m. close price. Now for Rocket Scooter and for the options, when we're talking about closing the gap, like when it says it closed the gap from the 4 p.m. close price, yes. But for the opening week gap, it is not yet closed on ES or NQ, has not closed that Friday print. They're two different. They're two different things. $744 likes, 744. We need 747 to trigger the next giveaway. Let's go. MaxBot says, hey, I'm out to work. Have a good one all. MaxBot, thank you so much for being here, man. Appreciate you coming on the channel and supporting it the way you do every night. You can go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow. 754. Let's go. Good job, guys. Good job, guys. 754. All right. Keyword will be Papa, P-O-P-P-A, Papa Les. Papa Les is the keyword. I'll type it in so you see it. Here is the keyword, Papa Les. Thank you so much for another donation tonight. Appreciate you, brother. Type in Papa Les and make sure you say thank you, Papa Les. Make sure you say thank you, Papa Les.
Say my name, say my name. Hate all you want, or you'll not entertain. Rocket scooter wins again. I don't bend, I don't break. Say my name, say my name. Say my name. Are you not entertained? Say my name.
I'm gonna play Rogue Song from the Song Submission channel too. Which one is it? Is it the rock mix? Yeah, here we go. This is from Rogue of the Lamb. For those who wanted some rock.
I take a step in the dawn, but the dusk pulls me under. Every mile I cross, relentlessly torn asunder. I reach for tomorrow, but I'm chained in my past. It's a fight to move forward when the shadows hold fast. I've tasted the hope, but it slips through my hands. I'm reaching for substance, but I don't understand. I pray for the strength through bitter scorn.
Dude, this is good.
To the skies, valleys and thorns, I'm finding my way.
Nice, Rogue. This is a banger.
I won't lose the war, no matter what I find. I climb through the night, but the dawn feels colder. I'm holding the flame, yet the winds grow bolder. Every time I rise, new
My comment picker just crashed, of course.
the guilt behind. I've tasted the hope, but it slips through my hands. I'm reaching
My comment picker just crashed. So you're gonna have to type it again, guys. I'm sorry about that. If you already typed it, you're gonna have to type it again. I'm sorry about that. Type in Papa Les again. My comment picker crashed. My bot shut down on me.
I won't lose the war, no matter what I find.
There you go. Thank you. Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's so bad.
Every hit leaves a scar, reminding me of the struggle. Each dream I chase bursts like a bubble, reaching every peak. I'm still climbing along, though the road is still long. It's where I belong.
Dude.
In the storm, I see clear, though the chaos is bleak. In the dark, I find courage, even when the future looks weak. The silence is loud, it echoes defeat. The noise in my head, it whispers, retreat. I've tasted the hope, but it slips from my hands. I'm reaching for substance, but I don't
All right, one more minute, guys. One more minute. If you haven't typed it in, you have 55 more seconds to type it in yet. If you're just joining the stream, you're just jumping in, we are giving away a Lucid 50K Pro account, courtesy of Papa Les tonight.
Through every fall, I still rise, breaking through the trials, claiming my pride.
20 seconds. 20 more seconds, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Entries closed. Entries closed. No more typing. Entries are closed. All right. 351 of you got in. Rogue, that was an absolutely fantastic song. I'm going to download that one as well. Very good. Download. Road to the Sky rock mix. Let's go, baby. All right, guys. No more entries. You can stop typing. The comment bot is turned off. No more entries. We're giving away, courtesy of Papa Les, a Lucid 50K Pro account. Lucid is one of the best firms in the business right now. One of the best firms in the business. Hands down. Shuffling it up. We're going to turn up the sound so we can hear the drum roll. The winner is Dean Ford, 7518. Dean Ford, congratulations. You just won a Lucid 50K Pro account. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here, buddy. Congratulations. Dean Ford, type something in chat. Dino, are you here? Are you here? Oh no. There he is. Okay. He's not watching live, or he was just a little bit behind. I see him. I see him. All right. Listen up, Dean. Here's how you're going to claim your prize. You just won a Lucid 50K Pro account. You are going to need to join the Prop Score Discord to claim your prize. You can find the link to the description of this video in this video. You can also find the link to it's in the chat that I Am Liquidity just posted. You can find it in the pinned messages. It's in lots of places. Go join the Prop Score Discord, and then you're going to go to the Giveaways YouTube channel, and there are very clear, specific instructions for you to follow on how to claim your prize. So congratulations. Thank you so much for being here and for supporting the channel tonight. Thank you, Papa Les, for the donation again tonight to help support the stream and the show and everyone here. We're not done yet. We still have 12. We still have Rocket Scooter Boot Camps to give away. We're giving away 12 Rocket Scooter Boot Camps tonight. If you will do that in about 10 more minutes, right at the bottom of the hour, we'll do the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp giveaways. If you have never taken the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp and you would like to, this is going to be your chance to win. The Rocket Scooter Boot Camp is a 20-day trading education course, unlike any other trading education course out there. There is not a better trading program on the planet. You're going to learn a very grand overview of trading, everything from market avoidance strategies, when to sit out, position sizing, trade management, stop loss placement, position sizing, all of that kind of stuff that goes into just normal business of trading. But then you're also going to take a deep dive into the Rocket Scooter Tools platform, and you're going to learn how to trade liquidity pockets and monthly hedge pressure and weekly hedge pressure and DD bands and risk intervals and how to use the DD ratio, how to use resilience, how to use arbitrage, how to use the liquidity maps, and how to bring it all together into a cohesive trading plan that gives you an incredible edge in the marketplace. I wish I would have had this when I started trading. It would have saved me a lot of frustration and a lot of just years of banging my head against the wall, trying to figure out how to be consistently profitable. A year ago, when I found this channel, I started watching Matt on YouTube in April of last year, watched him for 2 months every day, watched him trade the Rocket Scooter platform every day. It blew me away. I took the boot camp in June of last year. From July until even this month has been the best 10 months of my trading career ever. I have pulled out tens of thousands of dollars. I am passing evals. I used to pass, my eval pass rate was like 25%. So if I bought 10 evals, I might pass 2 or 3. And then from those funded accounts, I might pass 1 out of 5 or 6 to get to a payout. And I was basically doing it just well enough to be break even. And I went from that to my eval pass rate now is 50 to 60%. And my funded payout rate is like 70%. About 70% of my funded accounts get to payouts, which means my return on investment right now is through the roof. And I know I'm not the only one that's experienced that. I'm not the only one that has taken that education and turned it into and applied it to my trading, my daily trading plan, and have seen some of those results. A lot of people are the reason we're giving away boot camps tonight is because people in this community have taken it and experienced that, and they want other people to experience it. People in these chats and in these streams and these shows that have never done it before, they want other people to experience that. So we're going to be giving away 12 of those in just about 10 more minutes. All right. So hang on. Let's see. I'm missing up. What's going on in chat over here? I see someone was saying it not drop a rock song. Oh, you're talking to Trey. Okay. Got you. The real J. Clint Miller says, hey, Brad, I had to jump off the stream earlier, but I see you played my song, Tickle Them Wicks. Oh, that was your song? Dude, that was so good. That country tune was a banger. I downloaded it, in fact, and added it to my music playlist area that's separate from Suno, that I can just jump in and grab a song anytime. That was a really good tune. Really good tune. Glasshopper says, I'm on day 3 of the boot camp. So far, it's amazing. Congratulations, man. I'm glad you like it. Tevlog says, just finished chapter 1. Cool. Papa Les, you do need to take that course, man. I bet you win one tonight. Grand Experience Property says, what platform are the tools used on? They are on their own platform. The Rocket Scooter platform itself is the platform. Most people will keep the platform up and trade off of it and have their liquidity maps open and their resilience and all of that. And then they just have their trade of 8 DOM or whatever DOM they're going to trade on. So when price hits their level, they can just execute on their DOM. I take all of the Rocket Scooter levels and I move them over to TradingView here on the night shift so that I can just take the trades right in front of you without having 2 platforms open at the same time. The night shift doesn't have all of the power tools that we have in the New York session when the stock market is open. That's what we use to track the strength of the underlying market to help us identify when we get to high volume pivots, how we can expect them to react. We just have our risk intervals, our DD bands. We have our weekly hedge pressure and monthly hedge pressure. But they don't always, and they're very, very strong pivots, but they're not always in places that we can always utilize them in the Asia session. And so I do have other tricks up my sleeve to find good trade opportunities. Hey, Saint 909 just dropped another boot camp. I've been summoned by the boot camps. That's going to be 16 boot camps we're going to. Thank you, Saint. I appreciate that, buddy. We're just in my first trade right now. I wanted to get in down here at this position. I had it marked out earlier in the session of what I was looking for a pullback. And I literally drew it out in my at the beginning of the stream. We were doing a giveaway and I had the wheel of names up and I missed my entry. But there were a lot of people here that were able to take that trade and made good money on that. I just got back in on the next little pullback and I'm just expecting the trend to continue up. So this is just a trend continuation, wait for a pullback and get in and go. So that's what I'm hoping happens here. Tevlog says, would it be dope to have all three of y'all on stream for one New York session? Yeah. Matt and Neon and I have talked about doing a collab stream here pretty soon. It just has to work around my day job. Fridays is probably the best opportunity for that to happen. It's not that it can't happen on other days. I just literally have to take like a vacation day to miss work. Sucks, I know, but that's real life for you. Toasty says, do I have access to the boot camp even after the trial ends? So Toasty, if you don't cancel, when you use the code that you got to get the boot camp, it's for a 1 month subscription. If you don't cancel it, you will get charged $20 the next month. And that will keep you in the boot camp and have access to the boot camp. And you would even be able to take the live boot camp in May when Matt starts that. So that first month is free. That's what you're winning. You're winning your first month free, but you can take the boot camp in plenty of time. You do not have to keep that subscription going. A lot of people do keep it going because they like to go back through it. And when we do the live boot camps, they like to be on for the live boot camps as well, just as a good refresher and a reminder and all those kinds of things. So definitely very doable. But if you don't want to get charged $20, you'll need to cancel that subscription. What techniques are taught in the boot camp? So the techniques that we teach in the boot camp are some of the trading related techniques are just like I said earlier, market avoidance techniques, when to know to sit out, when not to trade. How do you know when you should not engage in the market? That's something that most people don't ever teach you. You're going to learn that. You're going to learn position sizing. You're going to learn trade management, how to set stop losses. What are the appropriate places to set stop losses? How do you set your take profits? So general entry, those techniques, just an overall view of how to trade generally speaking. But then the big techniques are all going to be Rocket Scooter tool specific. And so Rocket Scooter is a tool package that is based on the maximum gamma exposure for dealer hedged options. And so basically what that means is we pay for a massive amount of all of the options that are available. We have this massive data feed. We take in all of the options information. And the algorithm that Matt created basically filters out anything that's not a dealer hedged position. So when dealers sell options to retail traders or even other institutions, they need to hedge that position, either long or short, against that option that they just sold. So they're going to need to go into the corresponding market on the future side to hedge that position. And so Rocket Scooter is able to identify where are the dealers going to be sitting in the market. Before the session begins, we print these levels and we're like, if price gets here, dealers are going to step up and protect this level before the session begins. And it is an extremely accurate, high volume pivot every single time. Weekly hedge pressure, monthly hedge pressure. On top of that, we also have liquidity pockets, and those are bull zones and bear zones, and how we can trade through those and how we can find entries inside of them and around them. We have our DD bands, which are based off of risk intervals from the CME span margin requirements. So we have so much statistical power behind how often price will close inside or outside of these DD bands if they approach them and get that high or get that low to a lower DD band or upper DD band. Then we have resilience indicators. We have a gap resilience indicator. We have a hedge pressure resilience indicator, and we have a monthly hedge pressure resilience indicator that tells us as price is approaching one of these high volume pivots, how likely is it to bounce, or how likely, if it's coming up from underneath it, how likely is it to act as resistance? And then we have arbitrage as well. Just a bunch of confluence indicators that help us identify highly accurate, actionable trade ideas throughout the day. And like I said, this is the thing that took me from a break-even, maybe slightly losing trader to very consistent, very profitable in a very short amount of time. Do you even boot camp, bro? And we get the overnight pivots. Every night we get these overnight levels are what we get from the Rocket Scooter Discord, and we put them on our charts, and that's what we trade with in the Asia session, along with just my years of experience in trading. I bring that into the market as well, and I can find other trade setups with that. All right, guys, it's time. We're giving away 16 Rocket Scooter boot camps. This is only for people who have never won a Rocket Scooter boot camp before. If you have won a Rocket Scooter boot camp before, this is not for you. Do not enter this giveaway. If you enter this giveaway and you have won before, and I find out that you're going to take it again, you're going to take it away from someone who has never had that opportunity, I will ban you from all future giveaways on the night shift. You don't want that to happen, because we're going to start giving away thousands of accounts over the next couple months through Prop Score, okay? Only if you have never taken the boot camp and you would like to take the Rocket Scooter boot camp, type boot camp into the chat right now. Boot camp giveaway. We're giving away 16 Rocket Scooter boot camps tonight. We need to get some tunes going. Type in boot camp right now. I'll give you a couple minutes. See, claim your prize right now.
Dreams don't fund themselves, they demand blood and sweat. Every miss setup, every rule I forget. It's one more day chained to the desk that I hate. So I stare in this mirror and I seal my own fate. Rules over feeling, no chase, no revenge. Patience is power, I wait for the edge. Discipline's my code, I rise above the grind. Day traders manifesto. This is do or die. 6 a.m., coffee cold, charts already low. Emotions at the door, but I ain't even.
I will close this out at break even if it comes back down to my entry. I'm not going to wait and hold this close to the end of the session. You only need to type it one time, guys. No need to spam. One time is plenty enough. You get entered. You don't get 100 entries. You just get one entry per person. One entry per person. You can type it twice. You can type it 5 times. 7 is about all you get. All right, I took a break-even trade right there.
Pay with my soul just to master
It was actually, I made a little bit of money, but let's just call it break even. I called one A+ prime trade tonight. Sad that I couldn't get in on that. What do we got? All right, we got 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. No more entries. No more entries. I got them all. No more entries. We're going to use ChatGPT to choose 16 people tonight. Let me log in. Come on, chat. There you go. All right, we're giving away 16 Rocket Scooter Boot Camps. Please choose 16 random names from the list below to win a Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. Let me take out Rocket Scooter. All right, here's all 74 names. All right, ChatGPT, do your job. The wheel has spun, sparks have flown. Here are your 16 randomly selected bootcamp winners. Connor Hansen, Sadre Man, I guess. Sadreman, maybe, I don't know. Sadreman, Greg P 2020, Arrogant Tactics, Spiv Trades, Oh My Bleeding Heart, Eric Grijalva, Z Trades, Fair Value Nap, Zay, Chicken Biscuit 5000, Ritvik, Matthew Bridges, Jennifer Wright, LR7 Trades, Anthony Leo. Way to go. You guys just won a free Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. Congratulations, my friends. Here's what you're going to do to claim your prize. You are going to go join the Prop Score Discord if you haven't already. Join the Prop Score Discord. You can find that link in the description of the video below. You can find it in the pinned message of this chat. And I'm sure one of the mods is about to drop it in the chat as well. Go to the Prop Score Discord. Go to the Giveaways YouTube channel. And there are specific instructions on how to claim your bootcamp in that channel, all right? Congratulations, guys. So happy for you. I want you to take that boot camp and I want you to come back in and tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you're if it's vibing with you, if you're using it, what the results that you're having with it. There are hundreds of really incredible reviews on there, and hopefully you guys will have the same experience. Greg P says, I'm new to the stream last week and I'm grateful. You betcha, man. Very cool, very cool. Should have taken TP up there. It may still go back up there. I'm about to close the stream down and I'm about to just be done for the night. I'm gonna go home, take a shower, go to bed. I don't want to leave a trade on overnight. I don't want to, even with orders, just resting orders, I'm not going to leave them in the market. I don't like doing that. So I missed my Primo trade tonight. I did not get that entry. I'm glad some of you did. This was just a second stab to get a trend continuation, and it may in fact just kind of wind its way back up here. But it came back to my break even. I'm happy. I took a break. Actually made a little bit of money on that trade. If you're still in it, you know, you may get a slow grind back up. It's not just gonna run up to that take profit. It's gonna be a slow melt. And I just don't have any more energy to sit and babysit that tonight. So is what it is. Totally fine. Totally fine. It comes to that time of the night where I get to say thank you so much for letting me hang out with you again. Thank you for showing up and being a part of the Rocket Scooter family and the Prop Score family. If you haven't yet, go and join the PropScore Discord. Go and follow PropScore on X.com. We're doing giveaways on PropScore Discord. We're doing giveaways on X.com, and we're doing giveaways on YouTube. You want to be following and be in all those streams and in all those places so that you can have a good chance of winning a lot of these accounts. We're going to be giving away over 1,000 accounts in the next month as we launch PropScore out and get that tool into the hands of the trading community. If you are wondering what I'm talking about for PropScore, let me pull that back up and I'll put that link. If you want to go play with this right now, it is, we're doing a live beta release. We're doing a live beta release to everyone in the Rocket Scooter YouTube family. You can go out and test it right now. It's not fully functional yet. It only has about 7 firms and all of their accounts in there. When we launch in 2 weeks, it will have over 50 prop firms in all of their accounts and supply you a mathematical ranking based on the way you trade. Based on the way you trade. Not the way a prop firm markets to you, but what is best for you and the way you trade. There is no tool like this that exists in the trading world right now for prop firm traders. This is going to be a big game changer for a lot of people that are banging their head against the wall because they're just not trading the right account with the right firms. So go check that out. Go play with it. You guys be sure to show up in the morning to Matt's stream. Be sure to show up in the afternoon for Neon's stream. And of course, I will be back here tomorrow with you at 7 Eastern. We'll do it again for 4 more hours tomorrow night. Until then, we're going to listen to the best closing song of all closing songs on YouTube anywhere. And I'm going to tuck you in. I'm going to pull the blankets up. I'm going to wish you sweet dreams of green. The night shift is clocking out. See you guys. Yes, it will have Hydra funding. Zay, peace out, man. Have a good night. Trey D, have a good night.
Screens are off, orders thin, final.
Joshua Verkler, good night. Chris Trades, JC 3%er, 98 SR20, Learn Trading, Brian B Dog, Cydraman, Honda Wing, y'all have a great night. Thanks for being here. Rod Trades, appreciate you. Good night. Vernity, Icy Hawk, Isaac Green, Sweet Dreams, Woo Outside, DTLT Trades, Lintech. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Good night. Toasty, good night. Andre Lewis, Spiff Trades, Glasshopper, 99. Eve Flores, Intraday, Velocity, good night. Dr. Surgical, Croatian Sensation, What the Heck, good night, good night, good night. Mr. Twink, Andre Lewis, MMC for L, Sports, Adam Daz, Rover the Land, Sweet Dreams, guys. Love y'all. Skeletor, Ice in South Africa, Blue Sky, Solo Futures Trader, have a great night. Randy Ray, Forbidden Shenanigans, Sean Midstreet, Greg P, have a great night, guys. Matt Evans, Dean Ford, Skeletor, Super Earthman, appreciate you guys. Good night, sweet dreams. Dave Mack, LR7 Trades, Wags of Grand, Jones the Foe, Sticks MF, good night. Christopher Huffman, Sinister Scalper, Papa Juice Stocks, more on Wall Street, good night, good night, good night. Sweet dreams. Rocky, have a great night. L1 Trades, good night. Sweet dreams. Rubber, good night. Kyle, have a great night, buddy. Appreciate you, man. Good night, my friend. Good night. CJ Roddy, sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams are made of green. Sweet dreams of green.
Kevin, appreciate you, buddy. As always, sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams tonight. Night shift, clocking out. Close the charts, power down.
Palm Bucks, have a great night. Sweet dreams.
Sleep tight. Sweet dreams of green tonight.
Grill AR, good night. Thank you for being here. Hope you come back. Sean Simo, good night. Tuck you guys. See you, Deagle.